positive vibe to it and everybody moving in the same direction. I like that. It's not like a crab in a barrel effect. It's like, look, there's a lot of knowledge going on over here, and everybody pushing in the same direction. I really like that. That's
Thank
different.
you. That is cool. One of the coolest features of it, man. I think the money and the trade is good. People, priceless. Priceless. Okay. Shoot, we might as well work a little bit. We are here now. I'm gonna start off how I normally start off, and we'll just go through it. I think I'm gonna probably play a little music in the background. Hopefully YouTube don't shut it off. I would like to hear something. Um, and then we'll just go from there. Let me get a nice little Christmas playlist or something like that. That'll work.
It's that time, dude.
Oh yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Working on
Trace, you got your hand up, Trace?
Oh,
Go
I'm
ahead, ask your
sorry.
question.
What up, Trees?
What's up, good people? What's up, good people? I just wanted to shout out O'Shea. It's his first day in the trade room. He's one of the few that reached out to me about getting in, and he did what he said he was going to do. So I wanted to give him a shout out.
What's up? What's up? Somebody showing up. What's up? Oh, Shay, you good?
Welcome, welcome.
How you
Dog,
Welcome.
doing, okay? All right.
dog, dog was raised in the Ada chapter, and he from Palm Beach. So
Really though?
real happy about him.
That's all right.
Yes,
Shout
sir.
out to
Yes,
the bro. Shout out to the bro.
Mr. Sweet, nice to meet you. Hopefully, we can meet together and have a deeper conversation. Roots of the
I
All
love
brother.
right,
it.
shout out to the bros.
I love it, man. I love it. Anytime, dog. My
Okay.
door is always open. My
So
door is
you see,
always open.
you got some peeps up in here.
Yeah.
I, I done told y'all, man, I'm down with them alpha and omegas, man. What up, bros?
BG
You
style.
off the chain, DG. You off the chain.
I love it.
Blessings,
That
man.
dude
Blessings,
crazy.
man. All
Bro,
right.
that's crazy, Carl. That's wild. He said, no, bro, you gotta do what you gotta do. I hear you though. Yeah. Yeah. You doing full contracts or you doing micros?
I'm doing that.
I'm gonna mute those guys. They're gonna have a little fun today. Let's try it. Here we go. First stop is the bonds for me. First stop, 30-year treasury bonds. I'll take off everything from yesterday. It's kind of like cheating. I don't want to look at it from yesterday's perspective. I want to kind of create a new perspective. I hate the fact that they are pushing up today. I was hoping that we wake up and things will still be kind of down. But look like the sellers try to take a good crack at them. Legally 116.25, they have a right. So 116.25, 116.10s, and 117.27s. We've basically been watching the same thing the entire time. This is November 3rd right here. So, we've been down here kind of playing the same game on the bonds. Bonds, great instrument though. Um, Here is the 4-hour chart. The way kind of like a tour for new people, you might feel like you're looking at something crazy, but it's nothing crazy. Just think of it like PowerPoint or Microsoft Word. It's just a software that you do what you want to do. Over here on the top, this is like always the instrument that we're trading. You'll always see it up there. So ZB, ES, NQ, these sorts of things. Then you got right here the time frame we're in. That's how long it takes to make a candle. 1440 minutes is a day. 240 minutes is 4 hours. Um, 60 minutes, 1 hour, 5 minutes. You know what I'm saying? So you'll see a lot of moving around from different time frames so that I can look at the market from different perspectives. Over here, you'll see the buy side of orders and the sell side of orders is right next to it. On your top right, you got ATM strategies, accounts, and all that sort of stuff right there. Down here, you have a time, October, November, December, you know what I'm saying? So each of these little vertical lines represent, say, one trading session. So if I say, oh, yesterday, we hit the 117.08s. You can see here's 117.08. And if this is today, all we got to do is go back one day You know what I'm saying? So one day ago, we hit the 117.08s, you know? And the bonds, and in all of the futures, you have these different ways of like looking at the prices. So you'll have some of them have 5-digit numbering systems, some of them have 7-digit numbering systems, some of them have 6-digit numbering systems. It's typically a whole number and some division of a whole number to get to the next. You know what I'm saying? So in the ES, it might be 1, 2, 3, 4, but then they'll have like 1 1/4, 1 1/2. In the bonds, to get from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, you got 1.01, 1.02, 1.03. So it's a lot of different subdivisions of price. The way I like to think about it is like to get from $1 to another dollar. You know what I'm saying? You got a dollar, then $1.01, $1.02. Same thing over here. So if we're trying to get from say 117.00 to 116 is like 117.00. The next price down is 116.31. You see that? Then the next one is 116.30, 116.29. And different instruments have different numbering systems, but it's basically up and down. You know, you go up, you go down. Each instrument, they kind of have their own little maybe character, but they're all basically doing the same thing. People buying it if they think it's gonna go up, and selling it if they think it's gonna go down. Same game. All right. Also, man, if you're here for the first time and you feel like you got a question, you can ask your question. Like whatever you got on your mind, you know what I'm saying? Just, hey, I got a question, so let's do it. Let me see. Holy in my
Can you hear me?
Yep, we hear you, Julio. We hear you.
dreams.
Got a question, Julio? You good?
What's up, Julio? You good?
Good morning. I've been trying, well, this is my first time being able to log on. I've been thinking about it for months. I'm happy to be here. I see that you started trading with the bonds. I
Yeah.
don't know if this is gonna influence your decision with the MNQ or the NQ. Is this like part of your,
When you say, will this, do you mean the bonds? Does it influence my decision?
yes.
Yes.
Oh, so you're like looking at it to make a decision later on in the indexes?
I think about the market as one machine with many parts.
Okay.
It's very difficult to have one machine and not consider all of its parts because if I bother something over here, then something over here says, ouch.
The cause and effect, yeah.
So if I'm gonna look over here and try to disregard over here, that's like trying to love your foot and hate your hand,
Okay.
you know? So the market to me is one machine, and I'm gonna try and look around as much as possible. And you know, what happens over here will affect some of my decision making over there, for sure.
Thank you for answering the question.
All right, very, very welcome. Here we are with some more stuff. The buds. Let's keep going. Places where this is the part where most people get freaked out. They start saying things like, "Why in the world are you putting all those orders on the chart? Why do you have so many different sells and different buys? Are you going to actually sell there or buy there?" What I try and do is I try and show people what I think is as far as like a layout of the market, where are buyers and where are sellers. So that way, if they find themselves in the situation of looking at the market, then they'll know at least what I think about buyers and sellers and where they might be. So rather than just verbally saying it and then everybody forgetting, I try and kind of put the orders on the chart so we can kind of see what's going on. Order submitted. That's kind of this. So like what I'm saying is I don't know if it'll go up or down yet for the day. My desire is that it goes up, but I feel like they should fail. I really do. And that's kind of against what I want, but I feel like they should fail. We should start selling deeper. I want to get down into the 115s and 114s on the bonds. And when I say down into the 115 and 114s, I mean like down here, 115.04, 114 down here. I want to go down, or at least we should. And if they go down, the idea is that they will run into buyers who want to stop them from going down. And I'm just trying to show you where those buyers are in my mind. So they're buyers for me at 116.28, 116.22, 116.15, 116.10, 116.05. These are all places where buyers are. Now they're not at every price, but there are some of them. So I'm just trying to notate that. Okay. Are we good? Is this the Dido record?
Jason, are bonds and options the same?
An option is a type of trade. Think of it as a coin flip. A bond is a part of the market. Think of it as a section in a grocery store. So, an option, either you'll be above or below 14.19 in 2 weeks. That's your strike price, and you have a call or put, which means an above or below a certain price by a certain expiry. That's options. You know what I'm saying? I think of it as a coin flip. You flip a coin goes in the air, falls down, twists all around, and when it settles, it settles. It's either heads or tails. Along the way of the options, they put in these other different features of an options trade, but that's basically the sentiment of it. The bonds are a part of a market. So think about like produce, deli, pharmacy, bakery, customer service, checkout counter, parts of a market. That's equities, indices, futures, parts of a market, crypto, whatever you want to do. The bonds are in the futures part of the market, and it is an interest rate future. So a bond is United States of America trying to raise money. And since America can't issue ownership, like you can't own America, so they can't issue stock. But the way that they raise money is by issuing bonds. So they'll say, hey, anybody want to buy a government bond? And what that means is you give us $1, and in 30 years, we'll pay you back with interest. So people considered it a very safe yet slow bet, or safe yet slow, how can I say, investment. But that was the 30s. The bonds have a family. So there's the 30s, the 10s, the 5s, the 2s. All of these are time horizons on the United States paying you back. So they come out in the market like there's a ZB, there's a ZF, there's a ZN. All of these are different interest rate future instruments. You know what I'm saying? So like if I were to say it, you can invest in a bond, you can day trade the bonds, and you can also take out an option on the bonds, because investing, day trading, and options are types of trades, and a bond is a type of instrument. Make sense?
10-4.
Okay. Sound like Kelly Price. That's Kelly Price. Tasha Cobbs. She's not like Kelly Price.
Order submitted.
We'll watch over here. If I have to do anything, I'm gonna do this.
Order filled.
They flirting with going the other way. I probably won't believe it until they get above 00. Yeah, they got to get above 00, and then I believe it. Everybody understand what we thinking on the bonds?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Ooh, lady. Same now. 725. 28 plus or minus. So we're looking at 12 above and below.
Big Nathaniel Sweden coming in the house.
But this guy's coming through. Well, you know this guy? Check this guy. No, I'm just playing. He got caught up in that Cloudflare stuff yesterday, man. Okay. Last night, 66.55 is what we were watching. We still do have something just under
Order filled.
59.54 as well. I think that's going to be the downside on the bonds. Just heard order filled on something. Yeah, I feel like that'll be the downside. All right, let's see what they do here. I don't think that you should necessarily get into a position.
Order filled.
But I want to see what they do here. There's this big obvious shelf of buyers at 116.27. Let's just kind of see what they do.
Jay, when you say get above, you're talking about the 5 minute time frame on the bonds, right? Down below.
Yeah. 117 double low. I won't believe in the buyers until we get above there.
I just wanted to give clarity for people in the room.
I think that's good. Clarity is good. I think to some degree they're here, but you know, it's really tough for third graders to play basketball with college freshmen. You know what I'm saying? So there's that the reality of the boundary of their skill is a real thing. Oh, yeah. I'll listen to that. 65.94 I'm watching. I had love for this 66.70. Right now, you all, this is the S&P 500. We call it the ES. You'll always see it right there. Let's go on to that. Anybody? Okay, and when the ES, somebody that's new, tell me what time frame we on. How many minutes?
4 hours.
I like that, big dog. Circle gets the square. Y'all praise them up.
Great
Yes,
job, bro.
sir.
Praise them up.
Go, bro.
Good job.
Good job.
Good eye, good eye.
job.
Good job, yeah.
To me, I feel like we're still fighting in the shadows. Yesterday, you know, we wanted it to roll down. We end up kind of catching a 52 short. We caught some other things that were pretty good. They're still kind of hand fighting. You know, it's kind of a little hand fighting activity. It'll be magnificent for the buyers if they can get a morning above 66.55. I think then it lends themselves to getting back to, say, a 66.92 and 67.07. Really. On the 4 hour, things I'm watching, they're so far away. 66.85, 65.95, 95, these kind of things. Air of Christmas joy, joy. It's that once a year. Sincere. D, you ain't here? You made it? Nah, that boy ain't even make it. Why don't you give love?
Yeah, it was saying joining. He came back in and out 3 times. It just kept saying joining. Then he went out again.
Upstairs, oh, one cares. Oh, no greater gift is there than love.
Let me just answer this question. Bianca, your guidance for setting up your Ninja Trader is in your Yes Vember course, okay? Your Yes Vember course area, membership
Thank you.
area. You got it.
Hey Jay, quick question. On the fair value gaps, does it have to be, I know it has to be like a engulfing candle or whatever, but does it have to be three of them or
I think you're all wrong.
no? Oh.
There doesn't need to have an engulfing candle on a fair value gap. Whoever teaches you gaps on the internet, don't listen to any of it, okay? I promise. I've never seen somebody teach gaps right on the entire internet. And I'm talking about nobody. Not one. And I watch. Because I mean, if you got to play against somebody, at least you can watch some film on them, right? Like, and I think to myself, people eat this crap up. This sucks. I'm looking like, you teach that. That is so problematic. You know what I'm saying? Don't listen to nothing nobody teach about gap.
Yeah, I was
on the
looking at
whole internet.
the markout. I'm assuming that's a fair value gap at 66.52. And I was like, okay, that's a red candle. I thought it had to be like all green or all red too. So
That's
I was
what
like,
people, ICT can't teach them. The markets live people can't nobody teach gaps right. Nobody. I've not seen one person teach it good
that's
that
interesting.
keeps people safe and that really talks about intentionality and why gaps occur. Like nobody does it right. So don't learn nothing off the internet about gaps. If you can learn how to draw some cool lines, that's about all we got on gaps. I promise. I promise. It's very dangerous. Uh,
Hey Jay, the way you explained gap was three candles with the first and the third one don't match. Don't have they don't share a price.
that's
Yeah,
how you do. That's
A and
Order
C
submitted.
doesn't run into each other.
A and
that's
B. Okay, thank you.
Order submitted.
gaps are a three-bar pattern in which you have consecutive bars A, B, and C, and A and C do not share a price.
So it
And
doesn't matter if it's a red candle, it doesn't matter if it's long or shorter. It's just if A and
Order
C
filled.
does
You
not
see how
share.
confusing the internet is? If I
Yeah.
say it right there, then y'all saying, does it, what about, no, that's it. No, for
Okay.
real, you
What
know what I'm
about those
saying?
visual people? Can you show us an example of this is what it looks like rather than
Order submitted.
words?
there.
Consecutive bars, A, B, and C.
Perfect.
It was perfect before.
Your
A,
words
B,
was
and C.
perfect. Visual is different.
I understand fully that they are, but it's 7:59. I'm trying to get through four more instruments. But if
Sorry
I
to be
don't,
a newbie.
no, you don't have to be sorry. Just, trust what I say. I'd come back to it. If you notice, the A and C don't share a price. That means none of the prices on A are shared with C. If you look at most candles, A and C will share a price. So like look at this candle, look at these three if you're going to
Say no more.
consider.
I got you, sir.
No,
Say
no,
no
no, no,
more.
no. It's all good. We're gonna walk it. Let's walk it. I want to make sure you got what you came for. So check it out. If we have the situation where say let's consider three candles. You say consider this A, B, and C. You see how A and C share a price. They have a price in common, at least one. But if we consider, say, for example, here's A, here's B, and here's C. Now the top of C and the bottom of A have no prices in common. What that does is leave what we call a gap. Some people like to call them fair value gaps, but I don't understand what is fair about the value in this situation. I think it's just a way of like saying non-GMO apple. You know what I'm saying? Like if it is GMO, then it is not an apple. You see what I'm saying? Because apples are not GMO if you go outside. God didn't put GMO in the apple. You see what I'm saying? So it's a gap. This gap can happen. As you can see, look at right here. This was very, very small when there. See that? Look, very, very small there. A little larger here. You see them? Once you start seeing them, it's hard not to. Do you see it, Bianca?
Yeah. Oh, yes, sir. I did
Okay.
emoji. Yes,
So
sir.
like now that we can kind of feel the vibe of it, what happens is when that scene is set, you can make money 4 times. How I teach them, when you see that happen, you're gonna make money 4 ways.
You just don't know how much value that was just to me. Thank you very much.
No, I appreciate you. It's whatever you're thinking. I'm here for you. I'm really here for you. I don't want it to be confusing, to people, and I don't want I don't want to just espouse things, but it's a very violent pattern in the market. Um, and if it occurs, there's a lot of money to be made. There's a lot of money to be made when you see it.
Is that because the price goes back to that gap?
Well, everybody likes to say, well, prices got to go back to a gap. What no one says is when, how. I think the price goes back to everything. We'll be back at the high soon. By the end of civilization, we'll be at the lows. So prices got to go back anyways. I don't think that that's quote unquote a unique feature of gaps. Price tends to just go back. That's how we get ideas like tacos and boats, theoretically. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, price is just a thing. It's just that kind of thing. Like it tends to go back. Just because opinions fatigue. Opinions fatigue. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So you're gonna always see like this parabolic thing out of the gap. You made it in, bro? What you mean? Okay. All right then. All right, for sure. I'm all about it. All right then. Yeah.
Hey, and that ABC pattern that you just shown for that gap, are you looking at it in a specific for a specific candle, or anytime you look at any, you can start on any candle and look at that ABC gap?
Any candle. Any candle at all.
Yeah, that was good info. I'm glad I asked that.
Me too.
That was my answer.
Do want to co-sign what
That's
you
a-
said.
Order submitted.
Not teaching gap.
Great question. Great question.
Is that just on the 60-minute or any?
Order submitted.
Anytime.
Thank you.
Order submitted.
Or you crazy, you gonna say how something gonna be fair, people get skipped.
Order submitted.
Sound like Cornelius or something.
What's up, CB? Yeah.
What's going
You
on?
right.
What's going on?
Yeah.
You all here to buy and sells for the ES.
I see him, Jay, but I didn't really, you didn't like walk through it like you usually do. Like I'm expecting yada, 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 you know?
Over here, I think we in the shadows. It's very difficult to have a short-term and long-term expectation when everybody's waiting. Imagine a fight where somebody just got beat up real bad. They start kicking their behind on the 13th. So the seller's been kicking the buyers in the teeth since the 13th. You see that? Look
Yeah.
at it. So now we down here. After you get your rump kicked, you ever seen somebody after they get whooped?
Yeah,
You
they
ever
be
seen this?
staggering.
One of the craziest faces ever is a man or woman after they ran up on somebody and they got whooped. Because they sitting on the ground and they kind of like looking around and they want to be invisible, but we all see them. We can see you. We know you just got whooped bad. And they trying to, I guess, like gather their things. They're like, where my phone? Y'all seen my kid. Y'all just gonna let the man hit me like that? You know what I'm saying? You ever seen this?
Yes.
That's what the buyers are doing. So there's a lot of, we don't know if they're gonna go to the Trump and air everything out. We don't know if they got some cousins they gonna call. We don't know. Right now, it's like the sellers ain't necessarily stomping their teeth in, but they ain't necessarily up and ready to get back. You see what I'm saying? So we're watching a like a non-reactive kind of buyer after they've been whooped pretty bad. So maybe some small time frame activity we'll see, something like that, but it's very not conclusive.
Okay.
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh. Anybody trade gold?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Oh,
Yes.
you sucker MC. I see you now. Yeah. 4021, I'm still watching. I got eyes a little bit. 4101, mostly I'm paying attention to 4175. 4 hour joint. I like 4101. Did anybody hold the longs yesterday? Last night? Our long last night was
I did.
we were talking about you remember the 59s?
It was 40-40, Jay. I think you said the 40s.
Yeah, it was 40.59 to 79 is what we did last night. We bought dun dun dun. We bought 59 last night. So we did this
I
somewhere in
got
here. We were long. And I think B Rice was talking about holding it and letting it ride. We talked about those 75s. I think Magic took the 75s long. Did anybody keep holding it though? And
I
I'm
had
looking
40,
especially for the
I
what's the
let it
young
go,
man?
Jay.
You let it
I had
go.
40.
What's the young man who was in the room yesterday and he was like, yo, I got this thing on gold. I just think it's gonna go. I'm just gonna hold it and see how long I can hold it. I put a little live money in my account. What's
No.
that young man's name?
I
Anybody remember
remember.
him though?
I remember that guy.
I do
Yeah, I
remember.
remember the guy. I don't know his name.
That
Oh
was me.
man. It
I
was
had
you?
40, 50.
Yeah, that was
Who?
me. I'm still holding it.
Sanjay, you still holding it?
Yeah.
Oh, you a boss. Good
My
shit.
dog, my dog, my dog, my
Yeah, I'm
dog.
gonna
Proud of you,
continue to
baby.
hold
Proud of you.
like
You're on MGC or GC?
uh I'm holding on the MGC.
Oh yeah, I forgot. You're on like a gold USD forex sort of thing, right?
Yeah, I just like bought like 0.01 like two lots basically like in the just like
That's cool.
micros.
That's cool. Two lots though. You had a couple contracts or one?
Two.
Good, good. And then you got in a little while ago. What? Yesterday long?
Yeah, I got it around like 4009.
Good,
4009.
good, good, good.
Yeah.
And you said your target was the highs again?
Yeah, 42 26 I think it was.
I think it's like a $400 or $500 position for you now, maybe six.
Yeah, I'm already up by $600.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
started with $100 and you got six. Way to do it. Way to do it.
Yeah.
Way to do it. Advance your stop. So you lock in something and keep on walking away.
Yeah, I scalped like yesterday, like I already like profited like 200. Like I bought at 53s and sold at 81 again.
Yeah.
But like that was like swing. I'm just gonna keep on holding like for end like maybe till 40 to 46. That's my target, I think.
I like that, dog. I like that, dog. Let that thing work for you. 4 hour gold, I think that will be between say 4102 and I can see maybe a 4149. We'll kind of have to see how things work inside of this area. 4113 is very hotly contested as well. Makes my heart feel good that you held that, young man. Really does. Really does. Really does, man. You have no idea. After that conversation we had, and like that's good, man. Imagine starting with $100 yesterday and having $600 a day. And imagine your bank does this under another name or banner, and they give you 0.04% a year.
Ouch.
You'd be like, trading's bad, trading's bad. Hey, you guys
With
in
your
that
money,
trade?
they do it.
I'm telling you, it's a
With your
crazy.
money, they do it.
That's crazy. They do it with your money. They lend your money to other people and they trade your money. Banks don't say it out loud. It's crazy. And you think that they're so responsible? They are not. Banks are so bad that they had to make a law where they can borrow from one another every day to keep the doors open. Think about it. Think about our money is in a place where people are so irresponsible that they have a borrowing cartel. So just in case somebody's doing good and they're doing bad, they can borrow from one another in the evening time so that they can reopen every day.
Order submitted.
It's crazy.
Order submitted.
It is crazy when you think about it. They do all kinds of things with your money. They do all kinds of things. Let me close all of this and go to none.
Oh.
This is what I want to hear. Dun, 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 dun.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
They call Walter Richardson.
Order submitted.
It's a post he made, a post they used on Miami-Dade, talking about the first time the Bros had Clave in Miami, and they had the hymn on there. Sounded good. Oh, the hymn sounded good.
I got a question.
Order submitted.
What up with it?
So you
Why
placed
do I
all
put
the
all these buys and sells?
yeah. So are we
Yeah,
like
it's just a way
setting
so people who following me, they know where I'm thinking sellers and buyers are, no matter what time of day it is, because we're not always going to be together. We might trade in here for a couple hours, then the market break to the downside. At least they know I think it's some buyers here at 54 or 56. You know what I'm saying?
So how do you manage the trade once it gets triggered?
Who says I want to?
So you set it and forget it? No stop loss, no take profit?
I'm not trading live right now. I'm leading a classroom. So I can get into a trade and it can do whatever it want to do. It don't matter to me. See? It don't matter to me. It don't matter. I don't care. Because I'm not live. I'm teaching. After I'm done with you guys, then I'll trade live. What this is not how to manage a trade. This is a roadmap of ideas. So if you are trading at any point in time and the market gets to 42.14, I'm telling you, you can expect some sellers there.
Okay.
That's all it is. It's just a roadmap.
So you're expecting sellers, and buyers here and these.
I'm just saying, this is where the sellers are. This is where the buyers are. Make sense?
Okay. Then
I feel like your brain is sizzling.
Once I'm in there, I gotta manage it myself and decide when to get out.
We're not even in. We're not even managing. We're making a plan right now. All we're doing is making a plan. Everybody back away from the charts. We're not in. We're not trading. We're not doing that. What we're doing right now is making a plan. The plan is, what do we think the market will do? And if it does that, what will we do because of it? Which two directions can the market go, Julio?
Up, down, and sideways.
Nobody, you can't go sideways. I don't know any candle that goes to the right or left. It can either go up or down. Make sense? If the market is going up, who started making it go up? Buyers or sellers?
The buyers.
Who will stop it?
The sellers.
Good. So if it starts going up right now, 41.21, I'm just saying, hey, y'all be careful. There is a seller there. If it goes up past 41.21, guess what? Be careful. There's a seller. Where's the next place I think a seller is?
At 48.
That's it. It's just a map. And every day the map kind of changes because buyers and sellers could be in different places. One thing that I know about the market is that we don't care about the color. You think you care about if it's red or green, but it don't matter because you don't care. You want me to prove it?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Here's a candle. Everybody, you could do this with me. You know what I'm saying? I need to draw it twice so it's nice and green. Yeah. Can y'all see that?
Yep.
Y'all can see that?
Yeah.
Triple green.
Okay. I like that. Okay. Here's a. I can't listen to this song. This song made me cry. Let me think about my kids.
What song is that?
Happy birthday, Jesus. I can't hardly listen to it. I remember when my kids was, in the little school play and stuff like that. Man, it make you cry. Kids be singing happy birthday, Jesus with all they might, boy. You can't hardly take it. Mr. Sweeting, would you like to go to the lobby? Yes, take me out. Take me out. I'm good.
I thought it was just me.
Nah, dog, it's me, dog. Okay, let's do an experiment. You want to do an experiment, Julio? Let's do it.
Okay.
We're in a market. This is a market. Let's imagine that do 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 no. No. Okay, we got something going on. We got two candles, one green, one red. Both of them have a low of 0 and a high of 5. The green candle has an open of 1 and a close of 4. The red candle has an open of 4 and a close of 1. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Two candles, Taylor, two candles. Everybody can answer if you want to answer this, but this is how I know we don't care about color. And this happened to me in 2021 when I finally started thinking like this. Changed the way I looked at candles. It's totally free for you too. I mean, this is totally free. And I should probably edit this for some sort of training. Quick question.
Cohort 12.
You have you have two candles. The answers that you give, they will apply to both candles. I'm going to ask you a question, okay? If you had to sell, let's call it candle A, so that way we can really have some difference between the two, candle A and candle B. If you had to sell candle A at any price, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, which price would you sell it at? Julio?
At 4.
I'm sorry?
At 4.
4. Okay, cool. If you had to sell candle B at any price, 5, 4, 3, 2, or 1, where would you sell candle B?
At 1.
You would sell it at 1?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me ask you a question. Let me do it like this then. This will help you. I feel like you might need a little bit. Imagine that you don't have candles, but you have a house. Can you see it?
Yes.
All right. The house can be bought for 5 million, 4 million, 3 million, 2 million, or $0 million. Which would you buy the house for? 5 million, 4 million, 3 million, 2 million, 1 million, or $0 million?
$0 million.
Good. So if you had to buy the house, you would buy it for 0 million. Let me ask you, same house. Don't change the house. Same house. But now you want to sell the house. Would you sell the house for 0 million, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, or 5 million? Which would you sell it for?
For 5 million.
Good. You saw, looking at colors, you're saying that you would sell at 4 and you would, sell at 1 and buy at 4 and all of this stuff. But if I look at an asset, your ability to become a trader changes. Hey, if I want to buy it, I want to buy it at the very lowest possible price. If I sell it, I want to sell it for the highest possible price.
No, yeah, of course.
Does this make sense? Now look, you have an asset here. Green and red candles are describing it. You could sell any price on candle A. Which would you sell? 5, 4, 3, 2, or 1, or 0? Which would you sell?
I would sell it at 5.
Good. You had to buy the same candles. Would you buy it at either of these? Would you buy it at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Which would you buy it at?
At 0.
You see how now, because it wasn't candles, you made it an asset, and now where to buy makes perfect sense to you now?
Yes, yes.
That happened. Does everybody see that he learned where to buy in
Yes.
35 seconds?
Woohoo!
This is
Yeah.
what I want you to recognize. When you think about it, it doesn't matter the color of the candle. Where I buy and where I sell doesn't change with color because we don't care about color. We care about the highest price and the lowest price. There are apps. If you go and look at, there's an app called True Car. It'll show you a bell curve and they'll say, here's a car. People in your area are buying this car for an average of $40,000. Anybody ever seen this car? This app?
Not I.
Yes, I've seen it.
It's an app
I've
that
seen it.
allows you to see what people are
Yes.
normally doing. But if you had your chance, you would buy it for the very lowest price. You'll feel good just so long as you're on the lowest price. They do it for Google does the same thing for traders on flights. If you ever been to Google and you put in a flight, have you ever seen next to the flight, they say, this is extremely low for this fare at this time.
Yeah.
Anybody ever seen that when they're buying a flight?
Yes.
Yep.
What they're telling you is that
Yes.
average is higher than this. If you're going to be a buyer, you're getting it at a low price. They're saying, hey, you might not be getting the 0, but you're getting the 1. You're definitely not getting the 4 as a buyer. You're on the low side of what people normally acquire this flight for. It's everywhere because we are always trading. Always, always, always. Okay, does this make sense now? So we don't care about the color of the candle typically. What we care about is our position and desire. If the candle's green, chartreuse, blue, polka dot, spotted, it don't matter. I want to buy the lowest price. I don't care the color. Does this make sense?
Yes.
Okay, good, good, good. Did anybody catch the 41.18 short, or were you trying to wait on 21? Be careful when you get in here, man. Things can get kind of hairy at 41.07.
Order submitted.
Old people, I think we should kind of hang around. If you've been around for a while, watch your 4-hour chart. That's really what we dancing with. The 60s got a little bit of sauce on them too. I think the 60s going to kind of play. If they start playing below 41.06, let them in till 4100. They start playing underneath 97. Let them get down to 85. Y'all got it?
Order submitted.
Say that
One
again.
more time, Jack.
Please.
On gold, if they start playing to the downside and they get underneath 4107, let them get to 02. They'll get the 2s and they'll get to 4100. No problem. If they get underneath 97, let them get all the way to 85. I don't think that they should. However, there are greater principles at play where they might want to come back down into the 4081, 4082 range. Bonds are starting to track to the upside. This is weird. Yeah, we had you doing this. We got 4 more minutes to the opens. Let me look at the NASDAQ real quick, try and get a good picture. NASDAQ downside, still looking at 247.17. We talked about that last night. 17's played pretty good. They holding them down. 4-hour is still where it should be. I don't know if I care about 246.34, 246.28 as much as I cared about it last night. I don't think so. Watching 247.13 really, really close to like a hawk, of course, from the dailies, and 248.39 on the top. If I'm on the 60s, the vibe is
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
thank you, God.
Order submitted.
7 is the time.
Order submitted.
Welcome everybody if you're here.
Order submitted.
Love to you.
Oh God.
What'd you say?
Sound like somebody trading without you, Jay.
Sound like frustration.
Order
Yeah,
submitted.
sound like somebody trading without you. They got the answer.
It is what it is, man.
You all good, Francine?
Francine, we had a lot of one-on-ones. Francine knows what I believe. It's
Oh,
gonna have
was
to
my
be.
mic on? No, I was doing something else.
Watch out there now.
Okay, we're gonna take your word this time.
No,
Yeah.
I was doing no, it was something else going on.
Yeah, because you said, "Oh God," so
I was looking at work emails.
I understand that.
All right.
all right. I'll remember that next time the kids back. I'm gonna do it. I'm looking at work emails.
I'm dead.
Oh, they made it down to the first target, and that's the sevens. Watch the sevens. I'm going to do this.
Order filled.
I want this trade to lose. I think I wanted to win off the open in like 2 minutes. Then I wanted to turn around and lose again. I want them to go back to 21 for a second. They might not do it.
Order filled.
Jay, can you zoom in for your the NQ, please?
I'm sorry.
Can you zoom in for the or expand or contrast or whatever the word is?
Here you go. Sorry
Thank you
about
very much.
Yeah, can you do that for the gold when you finish with that one?
Gotcha.
They in the chat, y'all.
Thank you, Wanda.
Thank you, Wanda. Everybody
Right,
praise that
welcome.
Wanda.
Wanda be
Praise
on
her,
it,
y'all.
on it.
Thank you, Wanda.
Girl.
Praise her
You're
up,
welcome.
man.
Thanks, Wanda.
You got it.
Thanks, Wanda.
You're welcome.
4102, I need you to push back now. 4102, I need you to push back. This time, twos, I need you to push real good now. Don't let me down. Turn me up. Don't turn me down now. Selling. This is the open now. Bonds are really showing the upside look. I don't like the upside look. They're not out of the probe zone, so I don't think anything is amazing. But 117.00 was the price that'll make me change my mind. So I got an eye on it. Okay. The downside on the NASDAQ and ES is kind of what we think will prevail. I think they get to 245.74. They meet some real buyers. And then we have to go find out what's going on at 244.63, that or thereabout. So if you're short now, I'm looking for buyers in and around 245.74. If you get there, hey, you see what they're doing. I want us to go back, in my opinion. Let's go see if we can find a party to attend a little bit higher.
Order filled.
Did they come down? Okay, gold people, y'all got the 4101s long? Did anybody get the 4101s, 4102s?
Yeah, I got
Yes.
it.
Good. If y'all long, what you're looking for now is they just got to get back to 6 for you. I will cover them now. You still in the fight, and they might want a little something lower, but if we can get them back to 6, good. Good. That's sixes. Okay. So gold was 4101, 4102 long. If you're new, this is kind of the part where I start narrating and saying what'll happen. We get through sixes. Watch out. The next price we got to watch out for is 4111.6. You're going to have some smoke over there. Okay, they didn't get all the way down to 245.71 on the NASDAQ, but I think nope, and they didn't get all the way down here too. I'm just gonna put a couple warnings. I'm not saying take those. I want to hear what's going on when we get there. The 4101s and 4102s, you guys, don't get antsy. Don't get antsy. Let the candle perform. Don't get antsy. Come on, Bonds, talk to me. 117.01. This is not good for the indexes. The bonds keep climbing like this. It can be showtime to the upside. We can get right through these 117s on the bonds. We'll cut through them like butter. Okay. ES finally touched, in my opinion, what they need to touch in order to see whether or not the buyers are real. So what we're looking for right now is 6636's ability to rise and whether or not we should believe them. Same thing here. Here is the buyer that we really wanted. We really wanted 245.71. Did y'all catch it that time? If you got it, you got no heat. I will cover it. Let's see how it performs. Okay, I will cover it. Your first target is right here, 596. Second target, 246.16. Third target, 246.40. I really want to see this boy go 246.56. Let's see what he really about. Did everybody catch the 245.71, 72 thing? Did y'all catch that?
Long? I didn't do it, but I'm just curious.
Didn't feel. It came down. It came down to 572.50. Didn't hit 572.
Huh. Jesus. Did anybody catch the 66.36 longs?
Yes.
No.
I'm calling them. I'm calling them. Hey, 66.36. That's sure enough hit. This little line right here. God dog. They came right to the line.
My candle and your candle look different. It's printing different. It's some weird stuff.
Merry little Chris. 41.11s. We got another target there on the GC call. Now, what you want this thing is to do is persevere. We really want to get it back to 41.21. I don't know how they're going to do it, though. I don't know how they're going to do it. I don't know how they're going to do it. That's the only thing I don't know. I don't know how they're going to do it. Along the way, let's just say 15, 18. Let's say 41.18 and 41.21. That's what's next. After you get to 11, let's see if they get to 18. 4102 target. To me, the upside target is a little bit higher. I wanted to go to 41.48 today on gold. We started at 4102. If we get this, we gonna have everything we want.
Did everyone's clock just time bar just kind of stop?
Mine did.
Yeah, I'm saying
These candles ain't stopped.
Different.
These candles ain't stopped. We won't always be all right. As long as you don't have any malfunction where orders are not being placed where they should, don't worry about what you don't got. We in here now. We got to trade. Hey, look, 66.50. I think I mentioned the 48s for the 66.36. 48s. Y'all saw that? We got them. 66.36 long. To me, I'm getting out of the car. 48, I'm out. You know what I'm saying? I don't think upside is the way. I think down is the way on the indexes. So I'm getting out the car. 66.36. If they do something, they want to be big and bad and get above 49, God bless them. I'll join them later. If they big and bad, God bless them. The NASDAQ got to show me something else for me to believe. I still believe in the NASDAQ. 247, 72 them, 71 them. Yo. Okay, now the NASDAQ is getting to a place where I think y'all should chill. Where y'all should chill at? Nah, y'all don't have to chill yet. Oh, if y'all don't have to chill yet, I read the ES part wrong. Do the ES gotta chill? ES, the ES should chill. Hold up, what's your 66, 52, 50?
Man, what about that 4 hour though on the ES?
66, 62. Bruh. To me, I'm watching that 53 like a dog. I don't want to run up on it.
Right.
I don't want to watch it. You know, I see the fours, but me, I'm looking dailies. I'm like, I don't want to run up on them 53. So I'd rather take it off at 49, let them boys prove it above 66, 60. We rejoin the party and keep going. I don't want to, you know what I'm saying? The NASDAQ ain't told me to let go yet, but the ES told me to let go. NASDAQ won't tell me to let go, probably to 247.14. So that the NQ long 245, what it was, 72, 245, 71, 245.
Okay, is there an entry for NQ?
Give me 1 second. Let me
No.
find out if I can get you good. Probably be 246.33 in a minute. If we can get these timers and candles and Cloudflare and Amazons to start acting right with these servers, we'll find out what's really good. The 18s on gold came out. So we had targets at 6, targets at 11, targets at 18. I'm trying to get gold all the way up to 41.48 today.
Why you say that?
That trade is worth $1,600 right now. The NASDAQ trade, if you took it at 71, you should be feeling real good. 72, 71, 72s, y'all should be feeling real good to the upside. Move your stop up to 246.30. Be conservative. Bring it up to maybe 246.20. We still got a little time left.
What was the entry you said on NQ?
It's no entry. It's no entry. I said move your stop into play. So if you bought down here on NASDAQ where I told you, move your stop up here to 246.17 right now.
Okay.
If you got the ES where I told you, you probably out. I said get out the 49s. I ain't want to try them 53s. I don't feel like even playing no games like that. I'm too close to 100K.
I got in when it came back down to 45 on the ES, so that was a nice play.
Is there another side for the gold? It never picked me up, but so I was just waiting for a better entry.
I'll get you back in. That boy Kenyon Dixon be saying. Tonight, this time, I know. 'Cause babe, all I really want for Christmas, I want you here. Sing, dog. Yeah, yeah, I want you here. Yeah, you here. I don't know how you do that. That's crazy. I don't know how you do that. They ain't teach me that. Felicia, when I look at gold, my brain is, hey, 13, if you are who you are, then go back to 18. But I'm not sure they are who they are because there's a big fight going on and everybody's got a right to price in this area. So it's almost like you cannot trust 12 and 13. You must trust what they do after they say they will do a thing. So I would sell it underneath 7. To be specific, I'm selling it underneath 4106.5. But I would buy it above 4118.7. Sing, lady.
Okay, thanks.
This girl can sing, dog. Jade Noble. She don't get no love.
She's
Boy, when I
amazing.
tell you cold, that girl cold, cold, cold. ES people, I know y'all might be thinking about the re-entry, right?
Yeah.
You only think about that because you didn't get in where I told you.
I got in late, but I still got a good chunk of it.
Good,
So
good. That's cool. Now, the vibe is I'm thinking 49 to 51. And what I want to see them touch it like fish grease. The NASDAQ people, y'all still long. I'm trying to get y'all in 246.33s. It might not happen. Places that you can buy 246.58, 246.60 in there. I don't want to do the 68s. God knows I don't. Other spots, 246.41 or 246.34. Did anybody catch the 60s just now? Cover them
Jay,
quick. All of these that I'm telling
I
you,
got in.
246.60, cover it. Cover it. You know what I'm saying? Because you're high and you want them to finish doing what they said that they was going to do, but you don't know if they need some more gas. So you got to get in high and cover quick on the move.
Your
You
candles
got
are
them
different.
60s, you in. I told you we was going to be on the ES. It was sometime around, did y'all get in? I said it was like 49 to 50. I don't know if I
Yeah,
said 52.
my NASDAQ is already at 24/7, 24/7/14.
Man, don't nobody care. I'm trying to get you in. Did you get them 60s?
I can't get in because it's already past where you're saying it. That's what I'm saying on my.
I would reload my data.
I got in at
This happened yesterday. We had like pricing
24.67.
discrepancies. I would reload my data.
Yeah,
I
I
would
did
reload
already.
data because how many people got priced at 246.97 right now on the NASDAQ and
Got
priced at
709.
66.57?
I got
Yes.
713.
Yes.
My
720.
chart looked like
reloaded.
713.
I reloaded and it didn't work, so I'm gonna take profit because I'm in the red $700, and I was in
what
that.
I would do, I'll restart Ninja or something like that. That Cloudflare thing that happened yesterday messed up, charts and stuff like that. Here's our next target, 247.14. I don't have to really respect nobody till I'm up here. This is where my respect is. The ES people, were y'all able to get in? 66, 51s them?
No,
No,
no, it wouldn't let me in.
Ain't let nobody in.
When I'm saying 51, 52, I'm not going 51.75 on the ES. I'm giving you all a point's worth of discretion. I want you to look at the low of this candle. The low is 61.51.75.
Jesus.
I'm calling the 51s. I say we're going to be between 49 and 51 on this entry next. If you get 51s on the way in, you at 61, that's a $500 position per contract. I'm calling them now. Y'all got to help me out.
I had it on, it wouldn't let me in.
41.12. Okay, Felicia, I'm watching this goal. Like, if they are who they are, they'll go back up here to 18. They'll beat the 18s. They'll bug out on them. Then the only thing to whoop in after that will be, whatchamacallit, the high. NASDAQ is rolling. ES is rolling. I think they're rolling, and I think this is what we're doing today. Okay? Everybody ring out your minds if you feel defeated, you feel bad, you feel like it's going too fast, you feel like what's going on, I'm missing out on money. You're not missing out on money. There's so much money out here today. If this is what they're doing in the first 10 minutes, what you think they got planned for the next 2.5 hours?
Mm-hmm.
You ain't missed out on nothing. And if you feeling like missing out, I've been in sim all month with what I know.
I feel like calling in to work for real.
I've been in sim. If you feel like missing out, yeah, I'm just telling you the sacrifices. You know what I'm saying? Come on.
I wanna say thank you
You're
for because I can't do more than 50% of my audition account in one go. So I gotta go.
What does this
I'm
mean?
I'm done.
You speaking in mysteries. Say actual
So
numbers.
I hit that. Okay, so I hit 1,500 today. And so I can't make more than 50% in one day. So I'll be back tomorrow for my other 15, and then
Come back. You ain't got to come back tomorrow. Come back tonight.
Okay, tonight. So then
We
does
on
that
at we on
count
at
as 2
8:20
days?
p.m. Eastern.
Okay, I could do
Last
that.
night we called $3,830 worth of trades. I don't think we're gonna do no worse tonight.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, I'll see y'all tonight.
See you tonight. And you know what,
All right,
Chanel? This is what I'm gonna say. This is the last part of it. I do surprising little things throughout the day. Not being here at the end, it costs. Like typically,
Oh,
if
I
I'm
mean,
gonna
I
do
can hang.
something, I'll see who around at the end. I'll say, okay, well, if y'all do this, then I'll do a workshop for you tomorrow. Or I do something like that. So making the money, that's a cool reason to be here. But you never know what I'm gonna say, and you never know what I'm gonna teach.
And you know what? I should know that by now. So, okay, no problem. I'm gonna put myself back on mute and you in my headphones, y'all in my headphones. Happy trading, everyone.
Happy trading. I need to make a link so people can talk about testimonials for yes, vember. And I appreciate everybody being around. Chanel, proud of you, made that bread. I think we're long here again on the NASDAQ. It's looking like it. We had to catch that 246.60 on a dot. If you took that trade, you took no heat. And you should still be in. Don't take it off. Move your stop now. Everybody put your stop at 247.02. 247.02. If I keep calling trades, I'm gonna hit the 1,000, the 100,000 a day. I don't think I want to hit it.
Need some re-entries, Jay. I just restarted. Please.
It's all good, man. Hold on a second. Let me it's kind of hit me now that I'm gonna hit it. I'm gonna get to the 100,000.
Woo, let's go.
Stop, Phil.
Let's go.
It's basically about to happen. My calls today, let me tell you where I said buy.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
My buy calls today were here. I need a red. My buy calls today were here and here. Am I lying or am I telling the truth?
You're telling the truth.
The truth.
It's only when you ask people for proof, then nobody don't want to say nothing. Am I lying or am I telling the truth?
Telling the
Telling the
truth.
truth.
Telling the truth.
Telling the truth.
Telling the
If I
truth.
stop the 36s right now,
Telling the truth.
36 to
True.
let's call it 66, that's $1,500. And you go 245.80 to 247, let's say 247.80 or 247.60. Every 50 points is $1,000. So every time we go up 100 points, that's $2,000. That's it. That's the 100. Last night, our balance was 92,449. $92,449. So $7,000, $7.5 grand does it. I think I did that. My goal call was 4102. 4102's the target was 21. We made it to 18. So that's 16 points. 02, like 4102 to 4118. So 02 to 18 is 16 points. 16 points on goal is $1,600. That's 1,600. My ES call is 36 long. From 36 to 72 right now is 36 more points. Every point is valued at 12, 50, 20. It's $50. I haven't told nobody to get out of the longs. I told you to get out. You know what? I have to abbreviate this one because we went 36 to 49. So 36 to 49 was the ES call. Then we got back in 36 to 49. Then I got you long from 51. 51 long to, let's call it 68. That's current price. 36 to 49 is 13 points. 51 to 68 is 17 points for 30 points total call. Every point is worth $50. 30 times 50 is 1,500. That's 1,500 in one hand, 1,600 in another hand. The ES was 245.80. 245.80. Okay. Current price is 247.62. So even if I take it off now, and I haven't said take nothing off, but whatever. 247.62 minus 245.72. 245.72. That's 190 points. Every point on the NASDAQ is worth $20. So you got to do times 20. That's $3,800. Let's add up. 3,800 plus 1,500 plus 1,600. That's $6,900. And I ain't told y'all to get out yet.
Incredible.
I didn't even know how to take in all this information. I was just caught. I got triggered on the gold on one of your plays, and then I got out. I didn't know what to do with it. I just saw it going up, and I got out for some reason.
Don't worry, dog. I'll teach you how to keep in and keep that thing grab. I ain't told y'all to get out yet. My second call on the NASDAQ was 246.60. Then I told y'all to get it again at 247.34 if you missed it. On the ES, I had the lows, then I had 51s. That's right here. No heat taken on any of the calls. No heat taken on any of the calls. No heat taken on any of the calls. And if you count them where they are right now, I for sure, that's the 100.
Yeah.
That's the 100 right there. Y'all give me a second.
Order filled.
So nobody gets out the trade until Jay tells us to.
Brother, I'm up 2K right now. I'm not getting out of anything until the master
Don't get
tells us
out.
to.
Okay. No, it's
This,
my
this,
first day, so I don't know. I didn't know.
this is you're talking to Yoda, bro. Obi-Wan
Manage your
Kenobi
combine.
is in the house.
Manage your combine rules.
Yeah.
Take all directions to the tower.
We call so much money in this room that people got to stop taking the calls. Put that in your mind. We call so much money in this room, people got to stop taking the calls.
Somebody said
I
last night, or was it 2 nights ago? I need to lose $700.
Yeah.
That was me
Imagine
yesterday.
that. We call so much money, people in here figuring out creative ways to lose.
That's wild.
I ain't what I am. How I ain't what I am. What? I ain't told you to get out yet. I even told you calm down. You ain't missed out on nothing. I called a 247 33s right after I said that. If you took those, you made money.
Gold got the 18 target.
Are we waiting till it close on gold before entering?
No,
Yes.
you buy at 18, I think he said.
I ain't even on that frequency right now. I feel like my skin vibrating.
Yeah.
JT, do we see this kind at night? So I'm actually working from home today, so I'm able to be on this call today. Like, I'm sure it's not this kind of activity at night, right?
Our nighttime average has been somewhere around $2,200
Okay.
this month.
So we passed the 18 on gold. We're hitting the 21, you said. Damn.
This is crazy.
I tell you, my real target on gold is up here.
You said 21, right? Oh, up there? Oh, 48.
Yeah. 48, 42. Yeah.
This is crazy.
God is good. I'm gonna tell
He
you,
is
God
good.
is good. I'm gonna
He
tell
is
you, God
good.
is good. God is good.
Jay,
All
when
the
you
time.
all the time.
You're
240.
right.
Good.
Put the stop
What
on
up?
The
What
go
up,
ahead
Jackie?
trade. I ain't told y'all to get out yet.
Order filled.
I ain't told you to get
Hey
out yet.
Jay, I had a little money in a live account. I said, forget these prop firms. Let me go over to my live because I ain't missing this long on the NQ. So I'm in the MNQ getting me some of these ticks. Okay.
Might as well. Might as well. Till they show me that they don't want to go up. I'm a hold it. Man,
Still
that's
learning the
crazy,
lingo.
bro. That's
Hey,
crazy.
Jack, what's good?
That's
Wow.
Jack.
Trees.
What's up,
Trees.
man?
What's it going, man? How you doing,
I ain't
man?
calling no more trades, man.
Hey,
I'm
man,
too
it's
happy.
all good. Hey, I had it's a bro named Osei. He from Palm Beach Lakes. It was his first day on. First three trades was 1,500. He couldn't believe it. He said he ready.
They get ready quick when they see
Yeah.
that magic trick. When they see that magic trick, they get ready real fast.
He
They
was
like,
like, I
what?
couldn't
You know how
believe
to
it.
do what? You doing what?
He said, man, this dude is the wizard.
I'm just like me and Lano said one time I was in Baton Rouge to be honest. I was hanging with Lano and what's the 9 dog off of that line? His son named Samaj. His name start with a T. I can't think of it. We was at his house. And you know, me and Leno was outside. We was singing. We said, I'm just a lucky old Q with nothing more to do than to walk around campus all day. That we was out there remixing. You know, the bros used to remix hymns. We ain't really have no other vibes. We was remixing hymns. So it'd be a church hymn and the bros will remix it up or something like that. Then the bros start remixing R&B. You know what I'm saying? And they'll sing it outside for the sweethearts. So me and Leno was sitting up there writing songs, and making up frat songs and singing old frat songs, drinking bad wine.
Hey Jay, I want to say something.
That's crazy. We hit the 100.
Yeah.
We hit
Hey,
it.
We hit the 100 ball.
Congratulations.
We hit the
let's
100.
go. Let's
We said we was
go.
gonna call $100,000 worth of
Big
trades.
work.
I think
Nice.
I kept it a secret because I was scared to say it out loud. November 3rd, but I said it November
job,
4th.
Jay.
If you take everything off right now, 36 to 86 is 50 points. Every 10 points in the ES is $500. So that would be $2,500 on the ES. If we call 02 to 25 is $2,300, and we at 245.72 long. If you go 245.72 to 248.72, that's 300 points. 300 points is $6,000. I said what I was gonna do and I did it.
You did that, Jay. Can I say something, please?
Yes, sir.
Well,
I want to say this to anybody on here that is probably in the red that may have blown a combine. That it ain't the trade room fault. It ain't Jay fault. It ain't that the cannabis not working. It's you. Most likely you're up here gambling. Most likely up here you're not really paying attention. You're getting excited. You're getting overwhelmed. You're not really learning how to listen in the trade room, and that's a problem. You know, it takes time to learn and develop to listen to the calls and to get in when you're supposed to in and get out, because he's calling multiple instruments, you know. And one of the things that helped me was to stick with one instrument. Pick one, maybe two, gold in the E, and whatever. Pick something that you can keep up with and listen up for your instructions on that instrument. Because, like, man, it's real. That's why no one, when I lost all that money, they couldn't tell you need to leave, you need to stop doing that, you need to get out of that, and why you following this guy, Jay? I said it ain't them. It's not them, it's you. It's you, and look, don't make you a bad person, because everybody don't get on here and get this. This is not easy. That's why we make so much money. This ain't easy. Jay just make it look easy. He like the Michael Jordan of this thing. But we can, to be on his team and follow his lead, he can take us to the championship. You know, and I just want you to know, don't give up. You know, you're best to do this in sim until you learn how to do it. You know, and I almost gave up, man. You know, and I just like to say, look, I came back last night with one combine. Order canceled. And went to 1,500, and I had to stop. I had to stop because right now I couldn't make none of this money today because I went too fast and blew 10 combines in 1 month since he opened it. But right now I'm back with 15, and I'll make the night and come on and pass another combine. And I want to get to the payout. That's my goal. And I bet you it happens. But don't blame the room. Don't blame Jay. And it's not that trading don't work. It's you. It's not easy. It takes time. And that's all I want to say. Be encouraged, man. Because they wouldn't let me give up. Sam and all of them, they said, no, don't give up. You had a bad day, come on back. It really works. This is a blessing. God ain't let you meet Jay in this room for no reason. This is a blessing. Because Jay could be doing this by himself, going to the golf court, be with his kids, but he's opening up for us to make money too. So I just felt the need to share that, man. Don't.
I second
Come
that
on.
too. Learn how to listen in the room,
Thank
because it
Yep.
some days
Preach.
every day is not going to be a green day, but the idea is to keep the losses small, keep the gains big, keep coming back. Don't take yourself out.
Yeah, I need to hear that.
Hey, let me tell you, man.
Court changes in the room.
God is good. We gonna make sure everybody who in the red get more trades. That ain't no hard thing.
Appreciate that, Donald.
Get long, stay long. Donald, what you saying right there
dollars. I'll take it.
It's amazing what you're saying.
Everybody need
It's
to hear
crazy.
that.
You know what I'm saying? I want everybody to let's just take a pause, and I want you to just kind of embrace a few things. We said the NASDAQ and the ES would go up. We said the bonds would go down, and we said gold would go up. I want you to see that. The bonds didn't do anything for a while, and the first way they looked was up, and then
Bless you.
down they fell. Okay? We predicted it profitably. Same on the ES, same on the NASDAQ. There is a method of trading that I use that is far superior to anything anybody has ever used before. If I meet Fibonacci or Elliott, if I meet Ichimoku or Munehisi Hama or any of these fantastic mathematicians, they will have to sit down and learn. Because the truth is, it is an unparalleled methodology that takes a regular person like a keyboard player like me and makes me able to predict the market at a very, very high level of certainty. Very, very high. By the way, I haven't told y'all to get out of the longs yet. I ain't told you to get out of them yet.
Come on, Jay. Come on.
I'm just telling you, we have an amazing opportunity if you consider being a trader. The difficulty is not the platform, it's not the market. Don't nobody care about Cloudflare, Amazon, indicators not coming up the way they're supposed to, bar timers. Man, we're gonna read these candles. If we read them and we do what they say do, we're gonna be all right. I want you all to notice that today, the calls that were made on the ES, there was no heat taken. The calls that were made on the NASDAQ, there was no heat taken. The calls that was made on gold, 4102. It never went below the entry. And I'm still not counting the first call I made, which was short off the 18s.
Ace hardware and form.
I'm not saying this so that you will say that I'm good. I'm saying this so that you can see yourself. If a keyboard player from Miami was doing this, do you think it's doable? Just ask yourself. If somebody would sit down with me and show me what he could see and help me understand the emotions that I'm going through and help me master the platform, maybe, even if it's not $100,000 a month, what if it was an extra $5,000 a month? And you see right now, it's not very difficult to do. All you do is buy it and don't touch it no more. And let it go where you think it's gonna go. That's it. That's it. You can do this, ladies. You can do this, gentlemen. You can do this. You might be staring at the candles right now. Stop staring at them candles and look at me. If it's anything I've earned from you, please give me 15 seconds. Look at me. I'm a keyboard player from Miami, Florida. When I came to the hotel, they did not let me in the front door. I had to go around the back. When people party with opulent jewelry on, breaking champagne bottles that cost $30,000 a piece for fun and giggles, and my account was literally in the negative while I'm playing the tune, you can do this. All it's gonna take, a little bit of patience, a little bit of grace, and a whole lot of hard work. Not hard work to understand the rules of trading, hard work to get your body and mind to abide by them. I can teach you how to trade in 3 days. I'm just gonna need you to just abide by the rules. If you're in traffic, everybody pop quiz. You in traffic because y'all still staring at them cameras. I get it. I get it, man. Y'all want the money. But look,
For
man,
sure.
you the money. The money is in you. The market gonna move every day. What's the difference between a winning day and a losing day? And people say things like, man, it's going to be some red days, maybe along the way, maybe. But once you get it down, it don't have to be. It really don't have to be.
That's good.
It don't have to be. You never say some days you might not be able to breathe. Just hold on till tomorrow because then you'll be able to breathe. No, I know how to breathe. I can breathe. And it's the same thing with trading. Hey, baby, imagine a skill. Babe, I hit the 100 today. So far, I think I'm at like 105. Let me show you where I bought at. I was at 89 yesterday. Let me show you where I bought right here. Let me turn the camera off. My wife. Okay, the camera's off. They can't see. Look right here. I bought this right here. My call was this. Yeah, the camera off. 66.36.
Cameras off, sister.
You see
Cameras
it?
off.
You see they go to entry 66.36. If they still in it, they up 36 to 96. That's 60 points. 60 points is $500 every 10. So that's 3,000 on ES if they still in. My buy over here, I call right here 247, 245.72. That was my long. I say buy that. And I ain't told him to get out yet. So it's over. I think that's the 100. It's over. I'm going somewhere today. I'm gonna go take myself for a smoothie. Thank you, man. Sure.
Tropical smoothie or smoothie king?
Reezers, strawberries. Get some strawberries, some probably, some little other little fruits and maybe a little spinach, maybe. Put that in that ninja. Blend that up good. So listen what I'm telling you. Monica, Winston, Magic, Rashad, some of y'all new ones, y'all young ones that's here. I've been doing this a while. You see what I'm saying? Just imagine if you get a little bit better every day, what will your 2030 look like? All I'm saying is don't give up on a tree when it don't grow right fast. The seed working, it's working. You might not say, man, I can't make no money like that. Or this one making money. Man, he called that trade and I done blew a combine. You know what I'm saying? Like, I get it. I get it. Bruh, that same lady who came in just now, she told me I should get a job because I ain't no good at trading. She told me that when we first started. She did. The same lady who came in there and said, proud of you. Sometimes you're the only person that'll see what you can see. It's all right if you're the only one could see it. If I stick to this, I can change everything. You know what it's like to sit down at a computer and get up and people haven't even made it through rush hour and you already made $800? You make $800 every day for 800 days and see who's going to be mad. You make $800 every day for 10 days and see who's going to be mad. Right now, do me a favor. Just do me a favor. If you bold enough, write in the chat how much money would change your life. Like, man, I got $10,000 worth of credit debt and I got a $40,000 car. Man, if I can get that done, man, I breathe a little easier at night. I won't be as stressed. If you bold enough, if you know what I'm saying? If you bold enough, I see you, man. These are the numbers that keep us up at night. These are the numbers. And it's crazy how numbers will keep you up at night. 250, 30,000, 80,000, 2.5, 50K, 500,000, 100,000, 30K, 250, 95,000, 15,000, 100,000, 60K, 60K, 100K, 80K. I see you, 100,000, 350, a million. These are the numbers. We say to ourselves, man, if I had that, boy, I'd be straight then. I'd be straight then. Let me tell you something right now. Look at my face. No, you wouldn't. No, you wouldn't.
Gonna want some more.
Exactly.
It's a prophet on the internet. Y'all should follow him. He don't always he ain't always in the book, the good book, but he is in a book. His name is Lil Duval. He said something so profound 3 days ago on his platform. It shook my whole world. You know what this fool said? Now he from Duval now. That's a big old city, America's biggest city. Ain't nothing in there to do.
Jacksonville, baby.
Now, he from Jacksonville. Do you know what this boy said? He said capitalism is a perfect system, but the only problem is people greedy. That's what he said. These numbers that are keeping you up, let me tell you something. 1 million, 100,000, 35,000. Soon as you get them, it's another number that'll keep you up
Mm.
right after it. Trust me. I thought if I had $1 million, it'd be all right. So I had $1 million and it wasn't all right. I thought if I had $2 million, it'd be all right. So I had $2 million. And it wasn't all right. I thought if I only had a staff of people, and at the height of it, I had about 35 employees. And I say, man, I wouldn't have to worry about nothing. Guess what? I was lying. You still got to worry about something. So the thing that we are looking for outside is inside. I'm trying to teach y'all how to trade. You think that it's the numbers, but the reason why it's up so high and you know you should wait for it to come back down for you to buy it, but you still buy right there is because you feel like if you don't get it right now, you'll never get it. How many people bought the market way up high today? It came down and stopped them out before it kept going up.
I did a couple of times.
Yep.
I did.
You know what you're doing? You getting in and you getting in the right direction, but the wrong time. Let me teach you something, and it's a high level lesson. I typically only share these kind of things with the people who I mentor directly. This is a high level emotional lesson. But what I'm trying to draw strength from is the fact that anybody can become anything with patience, grace, and hard work. The hard work is not the hard work of learning the rules, but it's the hard work of abiding by the rules. And abiding by the rules is something everybody knows how to do because even a drunk stops at a red light. But when we get into the market, we want to bend the rules because we feel like we have the freedom to do so. And I'm telling you right now, do not bend the rules. You buy where you're supposed to. If you find yourself chasing that trade, you're not abiding by the rules and you deserve to lose.
Mm.
You deserve it. You deserve it. You know why you deserve it? Because why should anything good come from doing something bad? I want your good things to come from doing good things. I don't want you to get a good reward from doing a bad thing. That makes you think that doing bad things is okay. Go back to Breakfast Club. It's another prophet. His name was Boosie. Y'all know about Lil Boosie?
Order filled.
Lil
Yes.
Boosie was on the Breakfast Club. He said, come on now. Y'all know y'all in the chain gang. Y'all know y'all locked up. That ain't your first time doing it. If you got caught one time, you done did it 20 times. That's what Boosie said the other day. It hit me like a ton of bricks. How many times we know we wasn't supposed to take that trade, we take it and it work. So then we do it again and again and again and again. You hit your loss limit, but you're gonna take one more trade, one more trade, one more trade. Then that one time where you really needed to work, guess what? You blow up everything, your combine and everything.
Mm-hmm.
We can't do bad things, get good results, and think we're doing good. That's like
Did that
stealing,
yesterday.
having money on you and thinking that the money's some good.
Blowed it up yesterday.
What we have to do is good things. And it's human. What Donald was saying, I'm trying to say this so that y'all will realize it's human. Don't kill it just because it's growing. It's a little seed. Your faith in yourself is a little tiny seed. Don't kill it. Don't wash it out. Because, man, it's worth believing in yourself that you can do this. Y'all want to be good at trading so that you can retire your wife, retire your husband, take care of your kids, pay off the house, pay down the debt, start the business, Open up the incubator. You doing this for a good reason. I never met anybody, and I've taught 35,000 people how to trade. Not one of them say, I want to trade so I can make a lot of money and spend it all on myself. Never met one person say that. You a good little seed, man. You're good. And you in a perfect environment to grow. Don't give up on yourself. Please, please. I remember trading backstage at gigs and losing combines, blowing a combine before I got to go back out and say, how y'all doing tonight? Y'all ready for the next set? Let's party. And I just blew a combine chasing a trade at night. Man, trust me when I tell you, you can do this. If I can do this, you can do this. You can do this. I'm very, very grateful to everyone who's been here, seen me call these trades, seen me make this money, seen me believe in myself. It's some nights where I really did say, I don't know if I can make it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it. I don't know if I'll make it to 100,000. After the first week at 35K, I got nervous. And on a Saturday, I spent time looking at the market thinking, will it give me any more good moves? Will I really be able to catch another 35? I got super comfortable after week 2 when we was at 72K. And then this week, I went stupid. I feel like Mike. I'm looking at the scores table going, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm good. I don't know. I'm good. I know I'm good. This right here, crazy, man. That's what they say where I'm from. Crazy, man. It's crazy. If we were to count up and take the trades off right now, I'm well above 100K. I think I had a $12,000 day. But I'm gonna count it up, then we're gonna do who's in the red, and I'm gonna go somewhere and I'm gonna thank God for his goodness in my life.
Come on.
So I
And I
called.
just say before you start counting it up, that take profit fixed it, and I'm up 1,500 in my take profit 50K. So they fixed the issue. Yep.
Won't he do it?
You got it. This one you hit him with the Martin Luther King pose. Y'all seen the Martin Luther King pose? That's when he keeping it super gangster. Y'all remember this pose when Martin did that one right there? That's one of the hardest Martin Luther King pictures. That boy kept it so gangster. He was like this right here.
Oh,
All I
gosh.
need is some
Thanks,
glasses on him
Jay.
and a little gold tooth right there. And it'd be like, I'm from the 40s. I'm from the 60s. You know what I'm saying? Like, he's so hard on that picture. All right, let's count up, man. Let's
Wait,
count up.
are we still in on ES?
Man, I told you to get out yet.
Okay.
They told you to get out yet. I see a little bit of trouble 6707. So if you're in a combine and you want to keep your profits, you will hold on. What you would do if you bought the 6636 like I told you to,
Yep.
I think I'm out because I had a sell order at 6707, but advance your stop. And to me, your stop rightfully belongs at 6687.
Okay.
If you bought them 18s, Felicia, you know what I'm saying? You could kind of put them, put the stop at 26 and lock in some money for you.
Thank you.
Hey, Hop, you're gonna have to
Yo.
make another one. You're gonna have to make another one.
Come
I know you
on.
got day 2. You got
Come
day
on,
2 back
DG.
to back. You're gonna have to make another one.
We doubled yesterday. We more than doubled yesterday, DG. I love you, man.
Copy that. Copy
You're
that.
what's up. You're what's up, brother. I love you.
Yeah,
Man,
yeah.
if we stopped the trades right now and just got out, if we did, then this is the money we would have made. 6636 to 6707. If we get out. I'm not telling you to get out. I don't believe that you should. I think this is going to be the first time in a room I call 100 points in a day on the ES. I've never done that before. But
What do
66,
we do about the sale limits?
I wouldn't sell.
Right. I mean,
I would
right.
take them out of the way. I
Take
would
them
not
out the way.
sell.
Or you move them.
I would move them.
All right. Thank you.
Very, very, what's your name?
Ken.
This is my first time hearing your voice before. This
Yeah.
your first time talking, huh?
Yes. I
Where
only
you
been
from?
2 days, too. Yeah.
Where you from, Ken?
St. Louis.
You from the Lou? You eat snouts?
No.
Not even off the grill?
No.
That's a Mississippi thing, Jay.
Nah,
That
they
is a
eat them.
deep
They eat
Nah,
them in
Mississippi
that's
thing.
a St. Louis thing.
That's a St. Louis thing. They eat them out the
My
Lou.
husband's from St. Louis. He eats the heck out of that stuff.
You
They
eat
love them down
snouts, especially if they off the grill.
here. I'm telling you.
Not for me.
East Saint, I know East Saint, they'll eat them good. East St. Louis, Illinois, they'll eat them. Okay, you from the Lou then. Y'all think y'all can barbecue up there, but y'all can't barbecue worth a darn.
Uh-oh,
They
don't
do
start
good.
it. Don't start it. Don't start
All
it.
right, there's a couple
I
people from St.
hit
Louis
a
in
100K.
here.
I'm good. I'm talking. Nah, St. Louis barbecue ain't no good barbecue. You know, it's other people who think they can barbecue. Carolina think they can barbecue. They can't barbecue worth a darn either.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Don't
Carolina can't
start
barbecue.
it, man. Don't start
What
it.
about Texas? We can throw down.
Texas can grill.
I beg to differ.
Straight up.
Carolina can barbecue.
Hey, Jay, what do you think about Oklahoma?
What do you call barbecuing? Is the question.
You ever heard of Scott's
Oklahoma,
Barbecue? He has a
the beef,
national
the
show.
beef, in my opinion, it doesn't get much better than Oklahoma beef.
Yeah.
And they got some good barbecue in Oklahoma, but Texas barbecue is going to outrank them for sure.
Yeah, we got.
I give it to
got-
Texas on that brisket now.
Every time.
Every
We
time.
We got a
That
Bob Bully,
Texas
out
approach.
of Ohio.
Ohio,
Call
man,
himself
can't
a gang.
nobody north of the Mason-Dixon line barbecue better than nobody south of Ohio barbecue. No one even says that.
Really? What you talking about, Jay? For real? Come
I
on,
love you, dog. I love you, dog. The recipe you using is not local. Your recipe is not a local recipe.
Look what you started.
Your recipe got roots down south. You know it and I know it.
Yep. Tell him, Jay. Tell him, Jay.
Your recipe ain't from where you doing it at. You could take Texas barbecue and do it in China. That don't mean it's Chinese barbecue.
Where them Kansas City boys at? Them Kansas City boys
can't
out there.
barbecue.
Vinegar don't go on barbecue, neither do hot sauce. So y'all stop that.
Oh man.
Vinegar.
What you say? What you say, Zo?
Vinegar don't go in barbecue, bro. Sorry.
These people are so weird with that. That's that Carolina stuff. Kansas barbecue.
Don't sleep on the vinegar with the barbecue now.
I can't leave my Caribbean
Especially if
brothers
you got
out
that
with they
good
jerk.
chopped
They
pork.
jerk.
Well, nobody is going to jerk better than the islands. We could all try it, but you can't do it. I don't care.
Ain't nobody jerking better than the Jamaican. We gonna stop right there.
Oh
That's
yeah,
it.
good stuff.
You can say whatever you want to say until you go over there and you stand on the side of the road and eat that food. You'll realize we've been lied to. When you go to Bahama Breeze and they tell you jerk wings at Bahama Breeze, they lie.
You're absolutely right. The best is in Jamaica itself.
You got to go over there.
Yeah, absolutely.
Jamaica ain't the only Caribbean
island now. Stop playing around. We got a lot of islands down here. Grenada too.
They not jerking though. They not jerking like them Jamaicans though.
I don't know about that. My mom and dad from Barbados, bro. My mom and dad from Barbados, bro.
I love the Bajans. I love the Bajans. They not
blah blah blah.
And I tell you,
Somebody said blah blah blah.
We done started it now, JC. That's what I said. We done started.
The question is, what is your country?
Blah blah blah.
What is your country famous for? Because you can't take the Jamaicans, the jerk from the Jamaicans.
Right. That's almost like saying a Phoenix cheesesteak. No one says that. You can't do that.
What is
Hello,
that?
what's up? Hello? Yeah, I was calling you.
Lion fishing cocoon.
Folks from that's on my list. I'm Jay the Trader. You
that's
probably
Barbados
learn
right
how
there.
to trade at
That's
some
invasions.
point.
That's flying fish.
Been free all month, so
Cool,
I got
cool.
staff calling.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Trade, man. It's gonna be a real good thing for your life. I don't know who you are, man.
Straight.
We don't
Straight from the
$1,000 worth of trades this month alone.
Jamaica,
I'm in here right now.
Jamaica is good with oxtail. They even have ox in Jamaica.
Try and do it again, man.
Everybody swear they can. You're not messing with the jerk chicken, bro. You ain't even talking about no oxtail.
I'm getting a Jamaican that though.
The best barbecue is wherever I go. Who? Because I can cue.
Danelle what? Danelle.
Anything with curry. I'm going Trinidad.
Oh, Danelle, where you been?
And whoever said that is correct.
If I call you and text you ain't in yes member yet?
Oh yeah, I'm from Grenada, I know.
You tripping. I done called 100,000 today alone. I called 12 bands. Go to the
Hey,
NASDAQ.
DG.
Today I called 254,
Because the
250,
Trinity's a
72
Guyanese.
long, and on the ES I called 66.36, and they
DG.
still holding. I
Yeah, I
called
want you.
4102. That's
I
how I
was
know you
listening
in
what
front of
Jay
the
was
market
telling the
right now
person on the
looking at
phone.
it,
I'm
and
listening.
you just ain't in here.
Check
I called
check your DM.
4102.3 long on gold.
Check your DM.
Copy.
Tell me
I
what,
got
tell
it.
me,
I got it. I got
tell
it.
me what you think. I want you to check it out if you
Yeah,
can. Tell me what you
let
think.
you get your mind right. You better get in here, man. I'm in here cooking this month. I ain't playing no games. You know me. You know what I can do. You tripping. You tripping. I've emailed, I've called, I've texted. Some of y'all, man, you want to go out there and be a Power Ranger. You know, you want to go do it all by yourself. You looking at the market right now, you seeing what I call. I'm telling you, D. We could play games or we could get serious. Which one you want to do? Well, if you late. We started on the 3rd. Come on and get some. All right, then. Oh, my little bad kids. They so bad. They learn how to trade. They get an inch of what I got, then go run off and try and do it by themselves. Go fall down and break their neck. Then they say trading don't really work. How you do that? What's that about? Look, I'm gonna count up. If you go 36 to 07, 36 to 07 is 36 to 06 is 70. So 71 points on the ES. Look at my paper. I literally wrote it down. 66.36 to 67.07. Look at that. Crazy. Where did it go to when it started coming down? 66.07.25. I can't make this up. That's 71 points.
Yeah.
71 points. Every point is worth $50.
550. So gold is coming down
71.
hard.
Hold on 1 second.
35.50.
35.50. 35.50 on the ES. Dang, I ain't told.
I have a
I
question
don't think I had.
pertaining
I
to
know.
that.
Hold on a second. 245, 72. Dang, we ain't got out yet. Where do I think they're gonna go? We gotta see if they're gonna just stop them right now, what they'll do. If we stop them right now, 249.53. 249.53 minus 245.77 equals 376 points. If you take it off right now, 376 points. Every point in the NASDAQ is worth $20. I don't think that we should get out of the NASDAQ position, personally. I don't. And I really don't think we should get out of the 07s. But I'm going to just call it as though I'm getting out now for clarity's sake. Now, 376 times $20 a point is $7,520 in the NASDAQ. These calls were made where the trader, if they had listened, took no heat. Also, if the trader missed it, I called NASDAQ back in at 246.60. Had they taken that, I want you all to kind of see what I'm talking about, the type of precision. 60 on this candle. The low of it was 246.60 double O. And then on gold, we made it to the third target. It was a 41.27.9. If I'm in gold, I would bring my stop up to maybe 10s or 11s or something like that, and I would just hang out. I think that there could be more to the upside. I would, the only way I believe in the sellers is if they get back below 4102. But at its height, I think the highest we got that was a target that was called was 41.27. So 02 to 27 is 25 points. 25 points in gold is $2,500. Let's add them up.
How much you say you calls on NASDAQ?
$7,520.
You call more than that. The call from 247.32, that's up 1,000 ticks.
247.32 was a call. Am
It's
I, am
up
I
1,000
saying
ticks.
it right? I said if we take it off right where it is right now, that's 249. Let's call it 249.45, and subtract from it our entry to get the amount of points. We had 245.72. So
Okay.
245.72. That gives me like 376 or 373 points. And a point, every point is $5 a tick, and it's 4 ticks per point. So $20 a point times 20. What I'm not doing, B, I'm only gonna count it like one time. Like I'll count this. But if people miss it, then I'll get them back in. Like I got them back in here and here. So I'm only counting it once, even though I got people back in at the 50s, and I think I got them back in at 68s.
Okay.
Rather than me counting all of these, like, oh, I got this money, because it's the same money. You know what I'm saying? So it's unfair. I did call 18 short to 2 and then 2 longs on gold. So 18 short to 2 is 1,600 points. I mean 16 points. So that's $1,600 pre-market. So that's why I'm thinking I got that. You know what I'm saying? A little while ago, I think it was 376 points, but it's somewhere in here, you know. So 7,000, I got the 7,520 on that call. So 7,520 plus ES is 3,550 plus on gold, it's $4,100 plus 4,100, $15,170 if you take it all off.
Yes, sir. That's what I got too.
Somebody call Sam.
You didn't call nothing on the ZV?
I did. I called it short.
Yeah, them double O's, right?
Yeah, I called it double O short. That's why you see it's one contract short there. I mean, that would be another 400 and something dollars if you took it off now. I didn't call proper targets, but they're here in the low. So if they make it whatever. Let's say if we take it off right now, plus another 375. 15,545. My question is, why would you even go to YouTube and listen to any of them other suckers?
They gotta go and experience who's bad first, so they could come and see who's the greatest.
Listen,
Exactly.
I just made a note and I told my son, if I had to do it all over again, I would reverse time a year and a half, and I'd say, hey, all that stuff, that's cool. Get in Jay's trading room. That's all you need to know. Just get in there, learn by osmosis, learn by proximity, hang out with the people who know, and save yourself a world of hurt. That's what I'd say.
And let me just add, ladies and gentlemen, for all those other instructors out there, this brother has never spoken not one iota of any kind of indicator being an assistant to his trading. All right, just keep that in mind. And he ain't talking about no RSI. He ain't talking about no, he ain't talking about them. Just
Well,
notice.
talk, DG. I was about to ask that.
He just looking at these candles. He's just looking at these candles. Come and learn with us. Come and learn with us. Yes, Vember is just most of y'all beginning. But I'm going to tell you like this. You keep leaning in. This man right here will turn you into an ATM. And I'm talking about that ATM that has a cash flow of giving. A cash flow of giving. Okay? All right, y'all.
Right about it. 07 is right.
So I just want to ask a question regarding how to interpret the I guess the signals that Jay is giving before the market opens.
I'll say something like, I'm calling them before it happens, after it happens. And I think I went through it with you. I said, because of these orders, I have a roadmap. We do not know if it will go up or down quite yet. However, the bonds are telling me that we're going to go down today. That makes me believe that the NASDAQ is going up and the ES will go up. So you remember I drew that like circle. I was like, because it's all one big machine, we have to use this to know what's going to happen on MNQ, NQ, and all the rest. It was actually you that asked it. So because the bonds told me down, then I'm looking for the indexes to rise because that's how the machine works. Okay, when we got to the ES, so before the market, we had a general idea of direction, but then you asked me, well, what are you going to do with all of these orders? Like, like what do you do with them? And I say, well, I'm in sim. It doesn't matter to me because I'm using them as a roadmap. So I put these orders out there. So just in case my students might be doing anything, any time of day, they'll know, where I believe their sellers and buyers are. So after we finish that, then we get into the market and we start calling. I start saying, hey guys, like before anything happened, hey guys, you're going to be buying 245.72 or something. Hey guys, get long 66.36 ES. Did anybody get the 36s? Did anybody? Okay, 4102 is out. Hey, did anybody catch 4102? Yeah, Jay, I'm in. Hey, all we're looking for is we need to get past 6 and we want this first candle to get to 11. That'll be a good first reaction. After that, let's just cover and see what's possible here. I'd like to ultimately get them up to 41.48 today, but we have a little traffic in the way. Let's just see what happens. Then I said there's a big fight about price around the 13 or 12, so nothing is really given. That's when Felicia comes in and she says, Jay, where should I get back in? I said, well, really, I don't know. There's a fight here, so I wouldn't believe it till after they're done. So if these 13s are real about being a buyer, when they get to 18, buy them. On this candle is when they got to 18. Anybody remember me saying this? I don't know right now, but you're looking for 12 and 13 to go back to 18. When they get there, buy them. Anybody remember me saying that?
Yeah.
Yep, sir.
Okay, cool.
I took those.
So, oh, you took them? Okay, that's good. God is good. Okay, then over here, same thing. So
All right.
as we are in, I'm telling you where to buy. I'm telling you
No,
where
stop.
the
Hey, this ain't
target
playtime.
is. On the ES today, specifically, when I had the 66.36s, I took them to 49.
What do you currently have?
And I said, oh
Buckeye.
man, like, I don't really trust what's going on right now. It doesn't feel so great. I took the 49s off on the ES. I looked at the NASDAQ. I said, oh my God, the NASDAQ doesn't want to slow down, but the ES is telling me that we should. Let's wait and see how this goes. They do a few more dance moves. And then I say, hey, everybody, get back into the ES somewhere between 49 and 51. So everybody was able to get back in at 845. And also I've been saying things like, hey guys, move your stop to, you want to move your stop up in, lock in profits up to, these sorts of things. So that's how people follow along. I tell them what to do. Do you remember this happening?
I remember you saying it.
Okay, stop. Listen. Just remember that your ears are young.
Exactly. That's what I was
So
gonna
that's
say.
what, what I'm saying? I don't think that you know how you have to tell a kid every morning they wake up? Parents know this. Every morning a kid wake up, like you got to remind them to brush their teeth again.
Yes.
You tell them to brush their teeth every day. And you think, you didn't brush your teeth? You have to brush your teeth every day. Well, you didn't tell me to brush. You know what I'm saying? As you get older, as your ears get older, you get better at hearing and understanding and learning. I think in the trade room, a good week of listening, your ears start to get, oh, we're going to get long from 66.80. Hey, buyers, we're looking for buyers here, 66.36. Okay, did anybody catch those 36s? Okay, 36s should get up here to 49. You know what I'm saying? You'll start, hey, 4102, we should have some buyers there. I wouldn't take them just yet. I want to see how they perform. If they prove some things, then we'll join them a little bit later. You'll start hearing me say these kinds of things. Does that make sense?
Yeah, catching the lingo. That's what. Yeah.
Yeah.
I sat in the trade room for about.
Is he talking to us?
Yeah.
You're talking to us? You sound very far away.
Sorry, yeah, I sat in the trade room for about a week and a half, just listening, getting my ears conditioned to the plays, to the calls, understanding the lingo, the conversation what everybody was sharing. and it helped out big time. Helped out big time. So it is the conditioning of your ears to understand what's happening in the trade room.
Sure.
You got lives on YouTube too. So I go back and I do market replay data and I listen to those lives and I go along with it to help my ears get trained.
So these are recorded and uploaded to YouTube?
We're streaming live to YouTube. Not all of them are recorded to YouTube. All of them stay on file because I have to do that according to like the rules of like the Futures Association and stuff like that. Because I'm saying I'm a teacher, so I keep stuff on file. I think
Okay.
I got every trade room we ever did, probably going back maybe 4 or 5 years.
I have a question. It's off
Would you
topic,
do
but
me a favor, Jessica? If you would just raise your hand because we have Brentum, then we got Big Brother, then I got you. I
okay.
wouldn't forget that you had that question. I would not. Let's go through real fast. Brent, what's up?
Yeah, my thing real quick. I rode with the ES today. Still very close to my bottom, so took it up $118 on the micros. So that's $1,180 trade there if I was on the regular ES. So that's huge. Almost to that 300 number. So then I can take it to the next level of trading. I remember you saying it, the ES would probably go back to 81s as a potential re-entry. I was trying to see if you still believe that.
81 long or 81's long? You talking about?
Yes,
3681 long?
long at 81 again for it to go back up, but I
I
don't
think
know.
you should be done trading today.
Okay, I'll take that. Like I said, I'm trying not to
I
lose
think
this
you should be
combat
done. It's an emotional roller coaster.
for sure.
I think you should be done. You had a good day. You really hit the target. You'll be good.
Got it.
Do
Appreciate
it again tonight. Do it again tomorrow. You know, come back fresh. Take
Great
a
job,
good
bro.
walk away.
Great job.
That'll give you a good opportunity. Big brother.
Okay. Morning, Jay. Morning, everyone.
How you
You had a
doing?
training on. I'm good. You had a training on Friday. I did send an email that I won't be able to make it.
Did
You did
you
the recording.
did you get the recording? I sent it to you.
No, not yet. No.
Send me your email address on Zoom chat. I'll check it. But I sent it to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Can I get recording too?
Who was there? Who was there? Who was that?
Ken.
Oh no, it was for people. We call it like a social sharing thing, like training. So like imagine I'll be on with 205 people right now and I say, hey, I'm gonna do a special training for everybody. All you have to do is share what you're experiencing in the trade room and then send me the link to it so I can repost you. Do that. And out of 204 people, I think I have 40 of them.
This might be an unpopular opinion, but I think the best way to make your trading profitable is to focus on your happy profit number rather than shooting for the stars, because having a set daily target makes the whole process so much more.
Jim, you over there eating at everybody's house. That's what's up. What's up, Jessica?
It's about hitting match.
Yes. I know you said you was gonna send me the memo on how to operate the Ninja I'm in
Oh
sim
yeah, let me
mode.
see. What's your email address? Or type it
I had
type
gave
it
it
there
to
for
you
me in
before,
the say it
huh?
again.
I had already gave you that. And you typed it in, and you said it went through my email, but I never received it. And this is like my 5th day, so
Hold
I'm
on one
still like
second. I'm
learning
trying to see how I messed that up. Hold on. Jessica.
what was already told. I
Hold
didn't
on
get the
one
memo,
second. Hold on
so
one second.
certain questions I have for you,
Jessica, what's your last name, Jessica?
Dorn.
Okay, I got you. 1993 at
Mm-hmm.
Gmail.
Yes.
Okay, hold on. I'm looking at it right now. Yeah, let me show you. This your account right here. This your account. See Jessica Dorn right here. And if it says like you're tagged as a Yes Vember member, so I know you have access. Then it said
So
courses,
what?
Yes Vember, share and win.
Where would
So
that be on Zoom or my email?
it's gonna be in your email.
I don't have that.
Check your junk or spam folder. Typically, people will have Like
Yeah, I
filters on
did.
their
I
phone.
don't have that. Is there a
You
way
like
you
one
can
of them old
resend
people
it?
that keep telling me what you don't have. Listen to what I'm telling you. Listen. You keep telling what you don't have. I'm gonna tell you how to get it, and we're gonna make sure you get it before you leave. But if you say I don't, you keep telling your brain it's not there. Say I need to find that. That's like saying you'll never be
I
nothing. You'll never
already
be
tried
nothing. You'll
looking
never,
for it.
you know what I'm saying? Let that go. We gonna make sure you good. But you can see on my end, Jessica Dorn has got a course called Yes Vember, Share and Win. You see that?
I see that. You showed me that
Okay,
before.
cool.
What?
That's all I'm saying. That would have happened
Okay.
for you on November 13th at 11:55. That's the email right here where I sent you access. Welcome to Yes Vember. Log into my courses. You see that? That's when you would have received it. This is a record of my interaction with you. So it was November 13th at 11:54 at night is when you receive these emails. It might be in your junk or spam folder. However, I'm going to send you a password reset link right now. I just sent you another one. And what will happen is you'll get something in your email. Check your junk or spam folder. I'm also going to text you a link so that way you can log in just in case. Education, course login, copy. I'm going to text this to you. Okay. So now in your phone, you could click that. You know what I'm saying? It'll take you to a page. When you get to that page, let me log out. It'll look like this. It'll look like this. Once you sign in, like maybe you have to make a new password or something like that. Click forgot password. I know I just sent you a password reset or whatever, but whatever you got to do, when you get in there, you'll log in. Like mine is through tradelikej@gmail.com. That's my email address. When you go in here, you're going to click take a course. After you click take a course, then you say yes Vember. You click on the yes Vember course. This will be all of the contents and the things that we've given out for absolutely free. How to share, what prizes you win, the awards night that we're having next week on Wednesday, bonus trainings. This one is the one that you're most interested in. How do I know how to work the platform? Mastering the Ninja Trader platform step-by-step training. Right here, it's almost 3 hours where you go into everything. You'll see on this video that we cover navigation, building your own workspace, accessing market data, using market replay, creating an ATM strategy, little ways to look at the candles, laying time frames on one another so you can see, and even a Q&A that's in there for you too, along with other trainings like a beginner training, how do I join and follow along, what is the futures market, and all about combines.
Okay.
See what I'm saying? So did you receive that text message?
Yeah, I'm trying to
Good.
sign up now, I
You
guess.
straight right now. You already good. All you do is hit it. And once you get in there, get to the Yes Vember, it'll walk you through all the things. Tonight, I'm going to upload our MP3 of our song. You know what I'm saying? We got that. So I'm going to send everybody the MP3. Make sure everybody got the Bon Bully anthem. You know what I'm saying? By DeCarlos. Anybody else with any further questions?
How do I know if I'm a member, JT?
What you say?
I want to know if I'm a damn member of that.
Everybody who signed up for Yes Vember is automatically got access to that course. So if you're in Yes Vember, if you signed up for it, and there are like 2,800 people so far who signed up for Yes Vember, everybody has got access to that course that you just saw. All you have to do is go to that URL. I'll put it in the chat here and sign in. If you've never signed in before, click forgot password, make a password for yourself.
Bet. Thank you, sir.
It's
Okay,
very,
thank you. I
very
got
easy
it.
to do. Now you in there, you got Yes Vember, you got everything. You know how to, move around so that
All
you
right,
feel good and
Jessica.
comfortable.
Proud of you, Jessica.
Will we have access to this after November?
That's a great question. I think no. I think no is my initial thing. No. That's my knee-jerk reaction.
Okay.
People only feel like something special when they know they can lose it. But if I tell you, yeah, you'll have it for a lifetime, you'll never open it up again. Humans are weird like that. Clara, you have a question?
Yeah, maybe I'm getting a little ahead of myself, but I went through your website just to see um the options and courses that you have to offer for after November.
I wouldn't do that
But
right
it,
now.
it
I'll
says
wait
that there
until November come out because I got some savings and some courses and some stuff. Blow your mind. What if I told you next week I'm gonna let you get into the trade room for a whole year for $700? Would it be worth it?
Man,
that would be amazing, but I was looking into courses because I
woo.
want teachings as well, like
What
more
if I told
teaching.
you that you're gonna have opportunity for teaching? The teaching that I'm using right now, it'll cost you less than a trip to Jamaica.
Okay. All right.
I'm
I'll
telling
All
look.
you,
right,
don't
let's
spend no
go.
bread yet. Don't spend no bread yet. I got some good savings coming for everybody. Very good savings. Talking about savings on trade room access, savings on education. What if I
Y'all need
told
to,
y'all this? I'm telling you,
y'all need to
I'm really
sign up
trying
for
to
that
get
event
everybody,
on the
like nobody will
26th.
have an excuse. I downloaded a mass texting thing on my phone. I text every phone number I have. I told everybody. You know what people will say? It's a scam. It's not real. What do you call the excrement from a male cow?
We got any
I
iced tea?
like that, Jay.
Boy, hey, somebody gotta tell me if I ain't a hot boy, what do you call that? DP, what's good? DP,
Oh, I was just gonna holler at you about something I'll surgery when y'all get through. You can go and
talk
let
to
them
me.
finish.
Talk to me,
So what you gonna do about that barbecue when we come down there to Tulsa?
bruh,
Send back on that now.
bruh, bruh. Y'all come over here. I'm gonna tell you when you touch the soil, right when you touch it, I might pull up the grill to the airport. I
All
might
right.
pull up the
Listen,
grill, no lie, to the airport.
Listen,
I might go right there. It ain't but the airport's so small. Shoot, it's like a little garage. Ain't like it's big. I go right there to I pull the grill up to where they do the rental cars in the garage. Open the grill up and fire it up.
let-
I know somebody who know the mayor. Maybe the mayor will say it's okay, and we'll have people. As soon as you get off your plane, we'll find the first person that's gonna be coming in and the last person. We'll make sure that the barbecue fresh for everybody, and we can just sit out there and grill all day, like
I might
old theta
I
theta
might
two
gotta put
dog.
this in the I might gotta put this in the atmosphere. Okay, check this out. So 2026 Bomb Bully Tour. If you want Jay to come to your area and teach people about trading, you gotta have a barbecue. All right, you gotta have a barbecue ready.
If you
You know,
barbecue,
you know. You
if
got
you
so whatever
barbecue, I'll
city,
come.
whatever
Barbecue
town you
tour.
in, you
Barbecue
know,
Hey,
tour.
DG, we got to get
whatever town
shirts.
you in. Yeah,
We'll teach trading for barbecue. We'll teach for
yeah.
barbecue.
You know what I mean? We gonna have to do that one, bro. You know what I'm saying? You
You
know,
feel what I'm saying?
y'all start making y'all list and give your people. Look, we ain't bringing Jay in the room if you ain't got 80 people or above. Okay, 80 people and above got to show up
Put
at that
80 people
barbecue,
on the
baby.
list.
All right,
Put 80 on the list, and I'll come there and I'll teach you for
that's
barbecue.
it.
I'm
80
coming.
That's
I'll
the
people
teach
and
finger
you.
above.
licking and clicking tour, huh?
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
all we
you know what
doing.
I'm
Finger
talking
man.
licking
about.
and
There you
clicking.
go.
Talking
There
about
you
don't
go.
need no sauce. Don't need no sauce.
Finger
There you
licking
go.
and clicking. That's what we
No,
doing.
we got enough cities to make that tour. You know, we got enough
Yeah,
cities to
'cause,
make that tour.
when we do, because I don't know if you all know our award system, but our award system is quite robust. You receive different awards depending on how many times you share Yes Vember. So if you share it 5 times and 5 people join, then you will receive a free course called Cash for the Kingdom. If you share it and 25 people join, then you will receive a book called Inventory as a Voting System. If you share it and 50 people join, you sign up for a training that I do. My trainings are better than anybody else's. Promise. There's nobody who is as good as me when it comes to teaching the market to people. And I'm not saying that because I'm being boastful. I'm saying that because everybody else, how can I say it? We perceive value to be the same thing as price. So you think that a Rolls Royce is more valuable than how can I say it? A Bentley is more valuable than a Volkswagen, when the truth is they have the same parts. But because the Bentley is more expensive, you attribute more value to it. So a lot of people go other places because they cost more. So a $10,000 course surely must be better than a $500 course. So they went other places and they spent a lot of money on a lot of people. And then those people didn't teach them how to trade. Then they come to me and I teach them how to trade. So the reason why I believe I'm the best is because I have everybody else's students after they do, and their students still don't know how to do anything. Then they come to me and they learn.
Oh, that's so good.
Or they give up, Jay. Or they just give up.
Or they give up and think that it's all a scam, which is really sad. Put it to you like this. We say, I play basketball, and I'm standing right next to Steph Curry, and he says he plays basketball. Truth of the matter is, both statements are true. I do play basketball, and he does play basketball. But is it the same? No. Steph Curry is far 20,000 times better than me at basketball or more. So it's people on the internet and they say trading coach, and I say trading coach. And you think that they're the same thing as me. Nothing could be further from the truth. Nothing. Okay. So if that's not good enough for you to share, then what I did, I created another opportunity for people. Check out our sharing apparatus. So awards and prizes and milestones. So this is what we're going to do for prizes and milestones. We know about the 5, the 25, and 50 shares, but my top 50 sharers will be invited to my town. I'm going to have teachers and people come in, fly in, so that you can learn things like taxation, business, strategy, entrepreneurship, trading, investing, wills, estates, and trust. We're going to do that. The top 10 people during that weekend, top 10 sharers, we're going to enjoy a weekend, like a private sort of like a dinner experience where we're going to kind of like a strategy dinner is kind of what I like to call them. We'll talk about things that make life work. You know, like after you get business down, how do you not lose your hair? You know, if you get trading down, how do you make it so that it doesn't worry you? How can you live well while you're trying to achieve things? And that's something I'm pretty good at because I'm this successful and I still got my wife. That ain't easy. I'm this successful and all my kids still like me. That ain't easy. You know what I'm saying? It's very difficult to put a life.
How old are the kids? They young kids?
No, my oldest girl works at a hedge firm in New York.
Oh, bad. Okay, you don't look old enough. Well, I shouldn't say that, but yeah, good for you.
She's 23.
Oh yeah, she is young. Okay.
My oldest
Yeah,
baby
Jay,
is 23.
I don't think a lot of people know your story, Jay, about that car in the hotel. They
don't know. They don't know what I'm from for real. I'm gonna tell you. I'll show you on Instagram. We got did you see that Lil Duval posted ghouls?
No, I didn't see
You ain't see this? Lil Duval posted ghouls the other day, right where I'm from. Well, this is where I raised my kids at. Hold on, where it's at?
Homestead action. Little
This
Homestead.
This is where I'm from.
Little Homestead.
Okay, now it's rude. Now it's rude. Okay, so don't be offended.
Baby, and I'm from Zone 7, motherfucker, goddamn Zone, motherfucker, 7, X and 11, and fuck goddamn 1 and 6, all that shit.
But I asked you answer titties. I didn't ask you about no zone.
Y'all, it's rude now. It's rude now. All right, so don't be offended. But this is where I'm from.
Like a motherfucking mango on one of you fuck niggas for trying to nigga say, fuck about lying and that. I like you. Hold on, baby.
It's crazy. This is where I'm from. Where I raise my kids is 3 blocks to the left of the screen right now. This is what they doing. This is where I played football. This is where I came up. I ain't from the north of Miami. I'm from down south. I'm from Goose. You see, I put it right there, Goose.
The bottom.
I grew up in Richmond Heights and Perrine. My first apartment was in Goose, Florida, off of 216. Then I moved to 248. Y'all know what it is.
Don't give a fuck about that fuck nigga. They better see me.
AJ, can any good thing come out of Goose?
And when I let this bitch go, that bitch gonna be tick, 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 like the motherfucking headlights. Well, you better find somebody to play with. Yo, we out in the motherfucking chat.
That is hilarious.
Where we at?
Fucking Goose, they get the best motherfucking shit in our
We in Goose.
Miami funny.
That's where they don't know my story. They don't know where I'm from. They don't know where I'm from. They don't know
I
that
mean,
Richmond
some
Heights
parts in New
Piranha Goose.
Jersey.
They don't know about Richmond Heights Piranha Goose. They'll learn something about it in a minute, though. They'll learn. My mama from Florida City, and when she got married, she had a gold tooth on the side right here that had a half a moon in it. Yeah, 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 yeah. They don't know. They don't know my story.
I don't
They
know.
don't know.
They don't
I'm
know.
telling you, if I could do it, anybody could do it. I'm telling you now. Right there, what you just saw, that's very comfortable. I go sit down, relax. Those my cousins, my family members. That's where I'm from. That's family.
The homestead, Jay.
Man, Homestead, that's where grandma and them from. Homestead, Florida City. I ran
Yeah.
South Dade. South Dade County. I graduated from South Ridge.
Yeah.
Everything south of
Color
Richmond Heights,
Ridge. Okay.
Perrine, Goose, Cutler Ridge, South Miami Heights. Um, those are my family members. Where my baby, that one who in college, well, who in high school, no, who in college right now, the lady who kept her in the daytime stayed 4 blocks off the side of that screen. Miss Thomas' house. Miss Thomas kept the kids. Miss Thomas is the reason why Sydney is left-handed right now. Yeah, yeah, God is good. When I tell you it's a beautiful thing, and I love where I'm from. All the food good, all the people nice, and everything is great. It's a beautiful town.
All the food good.
All the food good, all the people nice, and everybody is really, really nice. You know
Hey
what I'm
Jay,
saying?
ain't this where them dudes be doing that like no glove boxing down there?
Yeah, Ferg first fight before nobody knew who Ferg was. He was in South Miami Heights
Kimbo
behind.
Slice.
I'm gonna tell you, Kimbo Slice. We call him
Yeah.
Ferg. Ferg first fight was at Rachel house in Rachel backyard. That fight where Big D doing like this, hold up, man, hold up. And Ferg said, hold up, nothing.
Yeah,
That's Rachel
yeah.
backyard. That's
Yeah,
at Rachel house.
Yeah, them boy down south.
yeah, he knocked that boy out. Knocked his whole out of his head.
Yeah, yeah. Big Ferg been doing that. And he ain't the
Wow.
only one. It was another Ferg that's from Perrine. It was a collect man before the Lord saved his life. God bless him. He done passed away now. But Ferg one time at the church, it's another Ferg y'all don't know. Tall and big. Like think about a man that should be 5'9", but instead of being 5'9" with the same dimensions, he's 6'10". Same thing though. Lean, strong, built, strong like that. And these guys, we was inside the church having band rehearsal. We come out and Ferg laying down, and it's 3 guys laying down, and Ferg sitting on the front of the church, tired like this. He bleeding. Ferg, what's wrong with you?
All right.
His
Who's
hands
in here?
bleeding.
Who's in here?
I say, Ferg,
Hey,
what's wrong?
Denise, D, Cherie, this is my little.
He say, man, they tried to jump me, man. Ferg had to beat 3 grown men down where they wasn't moving no more. I'm talking about it was some real thumpers out of Pirine. Real thumpers. They ain't stopped making them neither. They still down there doing it. In them backyards throwing them fights. They still down there doing it. I don't think they do none of that in Ghouls now. You get shot. Ain't nobody fighting and that's it. About to fight you action figures. They about to shoot y'all. Don't do that. Yeah, that's where I'm from. They don't know my story. $15,545 in trades today. Are there any other questions? That brings our official total to.
I got one question if you got time.
Y'all, I hope y'all don't feel crazy about the cussing and stuff like that. It's just young people and they just having a good time outside. Don't let that cussing or nothing. They're very nice young people. They'll be in church on Sunday. They'll be in church on Sunday. Yes, they will. Them same ones. They'll be in church on Sunday with their hands up. Lord, thank you. They'll be in church.
That's how they express themselves in this generation.
Telling you, man, good people. What's up, Sunday? Our total is $107,994. And we have, hey baby, we probably have another 12 sessions left in the month. I didn't think it would come this quick. Rashad, what's good?
Say the number again, Jay.
$107,994 in trades called. And if y'all feel bad about missing them, just think this. I've been in sim all month.
Come on.
I've been in sim because I've been calling them. Well, I'm making the food, but I ain't eating none. I gotta eat when I
Ain't
get
eating
off.
no food. Man, you just being a cook. You a chef.
I ain't no food yet.
We appreciate all that good
Angelica,
cooking.
Angelica over there saying, Jay, you gonna cook today? You said you was cooking.
Shoot, I get off.
Thank you, Jay. Thank you.
I get off, and then they we show up a little bit.
Yeah.
All right.
So that, hey, as a leader,
Hey,
you
Greg.
prove you mean when you say the serve and grow. You show that. You show
Come
that.
on.
That's
all. Yeah, that's
Greg,
good.
you're an hour ahead. You should be gone already, man.
Bro, I'm tripping because I'm like, I just told Carl, I said, Carl, it's 12. We thought, why everybody in the training room so late? This is crazy. What's going on?
Be gone, bro. You should be
Bro,
gone.
I'm like, let's go. Where we supposed to be done?
Yeah.
I need
Happy
to find a
birthday.
video. I need to have a
Welcome.
videographer find a video where I say I'm gonna call $100,000 worth of trade, so then we could have this day.
Match it up. Oh yeah.
Thank you for
Did
my
you
first
tape the moment and
$5,000
tape
day,
this
Jay.
moment, Jay, when you said it today?
I
So
ain't
awesome,
mad,
bro.
man. I ain't mad at it. I thank God I had to get up and go get some water, and I just told God, thank you. Appreciate
Carl
it.
been over here making tens of $1,000s. He said, I ain't do nothing this month, Smith, but follow Dave. That's all I did. And he a trader. Like, he could trade outside of Jay because Jay taught him how to trade.
It's some dangerous people on here. Y'all think people in here
Bro.
making $500? It's some dangerous people in here. I had a trader that I taught a long time ago. He from Atlanta, named Joel Roll. And I was like, man, hey, it'll be like 90 people in the room. I say, do your P&Ls, and only 30 people say they P&Ls. I was like, why y'all don't want to share? You know what I'm saying? Like, why y'all not sharing? And like people not talking about it. He said, Jay, it's not that people not doing good. They doing too good and they don't want nobody to know. So they share their P&L. It's some dangerous people in here. People coming in here making $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 a day. You'll never know. You'll never know. When we say $107,000 of trades call, that's per contract. It's people in here. Don't say how much money you made, but say how many contracts you trade with. Type it in the chat.
3.
So that means that's $322,000 this month. So when I say $107,000, I'm not saying in total P&Ls. I'm saying if all you traded with was one contract. It's people in here trade 1, 4, 5. It's people who won't say it in here trade with 20, 30, 50 contracts at a time.
Especially on the bonds. Especially on the bonds.
Look at what I'm telling you. I ain't telling you nothing. I'm not telling you what I heard about. These my kids. And I love them all. The bad ones and the good ones too. And I'm telling you, they not. You think it's just we playing in here.
Bro, this was fun though.
You get really excited because somebody tell you they made $40,000 on the internet. There's some people in this room, if they make $40,000, they had a okay day.
Right.
All right, Rashad.
Hey,
we saw your camera come on, Rashad. Just put your camera back on. You be up next.
Jay,
Rashad, you up here? You had some. Rashad, he a very gentlemanly person.
Yep.
What's up, brother?
I worry about when the world find out about you, man. They gonna try to, how somebody come take something good and want to commercialize it and like monetize it. Like I was like, boy, we better learn now. We better get it now before they come. No, it's serious business. You think like people don't know?
This is what
They
I
don't
thought.
know.
You don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. The people will find out about me as long as nobody say, nah. Think about it. We don't care about something because we know it. We care about something that we know it'll affect us. So what if they keep the myth that trading is bad? Imagine if they keep the myth. Like the next book that I'm releasing is a book that compares trading and investing classically and exposes the fact that they are the same thing.
Order filled.
So if we have classically that investing is a good thing to do, then by its nature, I think it's the commutative property of mathematics. If 1 times 3 is 3, then 3 times 1 is also 3. So if investing is good, then trading must be, if trading and investing are inherently the same. You see what I'm saying, bro? So I think they don't dispel me or get mad at what it is that I'm doing. I don't think that happens. You can look right at bad and don't say nothing. Just think about all those people who was in the same press conference when Donald Trump called that woman a pig. And ain't nobody else say, hey, that's not
Mm,
nice. Don't say that.
mm,
Nobody
mm.
did. Think about right now. Think about the with the Epstein and with children. And there was a reporter. She said it's not like the kids were 8. It was like they were only 15. They're 15.
Megyn Kelly.
So it's not the same. You see, you can show somebody the truth. If they don't want to see it, they'll look right at it and say, nah.
The 15-year-old daughter.
Think
Mm.
about this. Think about this. We have to say this sort of thing out loud. So Donald, I don't think that it'll be a problem because people will see me. I think the danger will only come if someone who is trusted confers trust on me. Like, say, for example, Tony Robbins meets me, and then Tony says, you got to learn how to trade and you got to learn it from Jay. Now, that's a thing. Now, that can become problematic. But as long as it's just me just saying, learn how to trade, it's not a
Hmm.
problem. Imagine if, like, Jeff Bezos says, I just saw this guy take $100 and turn it into $600 in one day. That's crazy. That's crazy. Because they know what that means. They know if I give him $1 million, he can make it 6 million in a day. They know what that means. If this sort of thing starts happening, like if it becomes a part of the mainstream norm, then it's dangerous. But it's not dangerous as long as it's fringe. It's just some guy on Instagram talking about buy my course or learn to trade. All those guys are scammers. Don't worry about that. But after a little while, I'm gonna do what most of these brands have done forever. There's something that's happening in the collective consciousness of America where we are pulling away the facade on top of things. We thought that couch really was $20,000 until the tariffs. And then you saw everybody on TikTok. You pay $20,000 for a couch, we'll furnish a whole house for $20,000. That couch that you bought for $20,000, that's really an $800 couch. Y'all remember this?
Mm-hmm.
That's when the truth start happening.
Yep, the
There are
purses,
ways,
expensive purses too.
I think there are ways to manufacture this. I've been looking at it. Like, think about I was talking to my daughter about this yesterday. Do you remember we were all just eating regular things and then all of a sudden kale became the best for us? You remember we were eating any kind of greens and then all of a sudden you
Right,
had to have
right,
kale.
right. Mm-hmm.
You remember this?
Yeah.
When did that happen? Who engineered our belief that kale was best? Somebody, Donna, saying it right now. You remember? They would say made in the finest of fashion houses in France. And then you realize it's a sweatshop in Malaysia. And then they put a nice emblem on it in France. And then you buy the purse or you buy the thing. Ladies, that bundle that you buying for $400, that bundle is a $7 bundle. But you'll think that your hair is good and kids spending a lot of money on Nikes is bad. But I've been down the hair roads. I've been all the way to China and I got to connect straight out of India. I I watched it. Me and my wife is big in the hair game. I know that bundle only $7. But what you'll say, no, no, no. No, no, no. This is Peruvian, this Brazilian. You see what I'm saying? This mirage of acceptance or this mirage of normal is something that, and Donald, I'm saying this for your point. It is until you have acceptance that a thing is what it is. So, what I've always fought for is not necessarily that someone would trade, but someone would believe that trading is possible. So, like, even my church, I go to a church here in Tulsa. Hey, yo, I got a trading course for everybody. We don't know. They'll go to Dave Ramsey and spend $250,000 on courses because investing is good. But what about people who invested in Radio Shack? What about people right now who invested in Bitcoin? What makes investing better than trading if they are inherently possessing a belief until a later date where you can get paid from the belief you had? That's what it is. But you tell somebody, oh, I trade. They say, oh, yeah, me too. I'm in Bitcoin. I'm in Bitcoin. Boy, we ain't the same. Boy, you and me, we ain't the same. We about as far as the east is from the west.
We are not the same.
We ain't the same.
They don't know who we be.
You know what I'm saying? So like
They
my
don't
dream one time,
know
I was in
who
the
we
town
be.
and I said, look, I want to go on the morning news, but I want to do it like the cooking show. So I don't want to make no food, but this is what I'm gonna do. As y'all doing the show, I want there to be one camera on me and y'all do the show. And I'm just gonna trade. And every now and again, I'll have the producers send profits. After it's over, we'll go through highlights of it at the end of the show. They didn't want to do the show. I'm like, who do I pay to do this show? That's the show I want. Take me on Good Morning America, put me in the corner with a laptop, and I trade for the whole show. And then the last 10 minutes, we talk about how much money was made. That's the show I want to do. Because then that breaks into the mainstream consciousness of America about what is good and what is not, what is possible and what is not. I believe that if a real estate agent can become the president of the United States and a liquor store owner can become the president of the United States and a black kid with an African background can become the president of the United States, surely Miss Johnson can know how to buy 6636 and make $300.
Come on.
Surely. 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 Surely.
Come
I'm
on.
saying this on YouTube. Cut this. Surely. Surely. Mr. Jackson, Miss Meisner, Mr. Williams, Miss Sanchez, Miss Goldenberg, all these people, they can definitely learn how to sell '07 and make some money down to 80. Sure. If a keyboard player from Miami, Florida knows how to do it. So Donald, the thing that it can be in plain sight as long as there's no acceptance or adoption, it'll be like how most people are treating Bitcoin. We're on here with 183 people. 170 y'all don't have any Bitcoin right now. Because awareness is not adoption. Awareness is not adoption. We have to manufacture adoption. And you only manufacture adoption through surrogacy. So I got to go somewhere and pay somebody to watch and then believe and then say it to all of their people. Then we'll start making some head.
Hi there.
Anybody in the red? Rashad, you still had that question. I'm on a tangent. I'm thinking about what we doing.
Man, I'm letting you cook. Go ahead and do your thing. I'm letting you cook.
My bad, dog.
Ain't nothing what I got to ask you. Y'all probably already maybe in the course or something. I just missed it. What I was wondering is if y'all going through prop firms.
Yes.
How are y'all able to trade at night?
Because the market's open at night and prop firms let you trade at night.
So they don't get you with no penalties or nothing to trade at night, or do they keep it in?
No, most prop firms want you to be flat by the end of the trading day, but then the market opens back up in the evening and you can start trading again in the evening.
Okay, so I thought once it closed in that time frame, New York session time frame, that was it.
Once it closed, most combine accounts and evaluation companies, they want you to be flat by that time. So close out all your positions. Most of them do not let you hold positions for more than one day at a time. So say, for example, no matter what, if you buy the market today and you're holding it forever, you got to go ahead and get out at the end of the session. But the market will close and then open back up again this evening, and you can start trading again for another round of the clock.
All right, so if it goes, let's say it closed at 4, you wait till 6. You go back in at 6. That's considered a new day, and you keep doing.
Yep, that's a new session. Let me show you what I'm talking about.
Oh,
If you're in
man,
the market, all of these vertical lines are your like session break lines. So you'll notice like right here, you see this vertical kind of grayish line. See it right there? I'm gonna hover my mouse over it and I want you to watch data box for time. You see right here, 1550. This is a 5-minute chart. 1555. Watch the next candle. 1600. Market's closed. What's the next candle going to be? 1705. So what happened was the market goes to sleep for an hour, then wakes back up in the evening and starts to trade again. And you can definitely do it.
Bad. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I was wondering the other day, I was like, how in the world are they doing that? Okay.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
that gold run at a certain time, it seemed like gold run, I'm not going to say it's not sporadic, but it's almost like you can see it better at a different time frame sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes, but imagine, it's different ways to see things.
Right.
Things don't have to get bigger or move faster for you to see them better if you got a magnifying glass.
Facts.
You see what I'm saying? So there are different ways that you can look at the candles and perceive them so that even when it quote unquote is not moving, we could still be profitable. Very profitable.
Appreciate you, man. As always, you giving it to us, right? Appreciate it.
Love. Brent, you had something that oh no, you had the question about the 81s long. Don't take no more trades. Walk away with the W.
Yeah.
Walk away with the W. Anybody in the red?
I'm in the red, Jack.
I don't know how that's happening to you. Turn your camera on.
I'm in the red because I had data issues this morning.
How far you down?
700. It blew
What's your
past
loss limit?
my loss limit for the day.
Yeah, for the day.
300.
You're done. No more trades. No more trades. It's not our ability to win that gets us consistent in the market. It's our ability to lose right. You know what I'm saying? Let me show you what I'm talking about, Nikki. Hey, everybody. How many people blow their combines on the first day they have a losing trade?
Yes, sir.
Definitely.
The day you have a
I've done
losing
it.
trade.
Yep.
is the day you blow.
Yep.
You know what
Yep.
this means? This means that we don't know how to lose. And there's no class in elementary school or middle school. But man, if you ever want to watch somebody lose well, go back to the Errol Spence fight against the what's your boy out of Nebraska? That's hot.
Crawford.
Go back to the Bud. Go watch Bud Earl Spence, Nikki. After that fight, go watch Earl Spence. Go watch him. He was the favorite. He lost miserably, but watch the dignity with which he does it. It's one of the most majestic things I've ever seen in competition. With a swollen face, a busted lip, he stands in front of a camera and says, he was better than me. And I didn't have an answer for him, and he deserves it. Most people in trading are not able to do that. They'll say, it was the ring's fault. You know what? Something was wrong with my glove. I woke up this morning and I wasn't feeling right. I had my wife and my kids and my husband or my family was on my mind. But the ability to accept that I must have been incapable is such a freeing thing for the trader. So if you hit that loss limit for the day, that is your freedom. I'm done. I'm done. Let me tell you how it works though. Imagine you have $1,000 profit target a day and a loss limit of $500. That means every week you can literally only have 2 winning days and still be profitable. You win on Monday, $1,000. You win on Tuesday, $1,000. You got $2,000 in winnings. You lose Wednesday, 500. You lose Thursday, another 500. That makes it 1,000. You lose Friday, another 500. That makes it 1,500. $2,000 worth of wins on 2 days, $1,500 worth of losses on 3 days. You walk out of the week with a $500 P&L. You pass a 25K combine in 3 weeks before they rebuild you. It's not our ability to win that makes us successful. It's our ability to lose well that makes us successful. Your ability to walk away when you're done. That's it. We have issues though. Our issues are our relationship to being right or wrong, our relationship to winning or losing. That's the problem. If we are wrong, we cannot go to sleep knowing it. If we lost, we don't feel good about it. So we are clawing and scraping inside of our character for some sense of dignity or worth. When the truth is, wins and losses don't make you anything different than what you were before. If you're a sloppy pig, then if you become the president of the United States, you are a presidential sloppy pig. If you are a rude person, it does not matter if you become the king. You are a rude king.
That's hard.
Go back in the Bible, they talk about having good kings and bad kings, which means that titles cannot give you character. That's why sometimes you will talk up to a homeless person and you throw money at them and they won't pick it up. You know why? I might be homeless, but I still have dignity. You will not treat me like a dog just because of my situation. This is the essence of a person. I don't find my value in my current status. I find my value in what God said about me. I'm good. I'm a good person. God is good. He has favored me. I'm alive. I got people that love me. And if I don't, I love myself. This is where we find our value. That way, if we hit our loss limit or have a stop in our trade, guess what? It doesn't mean that we're less valuable. All it means is that we lost. We can get up and walk away. We don't find our value in our P&L. That's childish. Hold on one second. Dalton.
Booyaka.
Cute up. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Share your link with them, dog, so that you get the credit. Okay. I'm gonna send you your link. I'm gonna send you your link and you can send it to them. Bro. Y'all feel me on that? I hope you feel me on that. Big brother and Don, I see you. Big brother, you up next.
First thing, I did send the email to you. I want to
Thank you
confirm you
very
saw
much.
it.
I see it right now. I'm about to grab it and make sure you're good. Give me 1 second. While I'm doing that, go ahead, Donna.
I have two questions. There's a second one. There's
Oh,
a
I thought
follow-up.
that was all you were checking on. I'm so sorry. My
So
bad,
good.
Toe.
Second one, after we hit the milestones, how long do we have to wait to get our prizes?
It should be immediately.
Oh, I've hit
Yeah.
two. I got an email. I was asked to reply to
Check
the
your
email.
junk
I've
or
replied to
spam
the.
folder. Tozen, I believe
I
what's
have
happening is this is your account. You have me blocked on email. You see this?
no.
Yes. You see the X. I just put up your account. But see how to spot a reversal? It's in there.
Mm-hmm.
But when I probably tried to send you the email that you have access, it will not allow it to be sent in the system because you're blocked. I'm going to send you a text. Would you like to receive emails? Legally, you have to, oh Lord, I spell receive wrong. Legally, you have to tell me that it's okay for me to send you emails. And once that happens, I can uncheck this and I'll make sure that you have access. But even if I send you a password reset link, it won't work because I can't email you anything. So just respond and say
Replying
yes,
text
and
right
then I'll
now.
take up the D&D. This happens sometimes. People get annoyed with my emails and stuff like that. So it's okay.
Lord have mercy.
That's
Yeah,
another check for everybody, all right? Even if you got stuff coming from Jay and spam, mark it not spam. Just mark it not spam. Let it come
reply to it.
directly.
Yeah. If
You know?
sometimes like I'll send emails and I say, hey, PSS, reply to this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
And then
So that
you
way, if
know,
you reply to it, your email filter will say, oh, this is a real person. You know what I'm saying? I'm sending you a password reset link right now. You should have it. And I'll also text you login information or something like that.
and I don't know how other email sections work, but at Gmail they have that part called promotions. His
Yes.
emails sometimes come in the promotion
Yes,
section.
they will. They
So
will come to promotions
click
tab all the
promotions
time.
and then have them move it to inbox or save the people that comes from, like help at IMJ the Trader, right?
Yes, save it.
Or team yes vember, right? You know, save those emails so that it could be part of your contacts and it all come through. Okay.
Please.
I'm just helping out.
Thank you,
Big
bro.
brother, you good, big brother? Last question, you got it?
Yes.
You good? All
Yes,
right,
sir.
Donna.
I'm logging in right now. Thank
Okay,
you.
wonderful. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you. Next person had a question was Donna. Hey, Donna, how you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm okay.
Just want to know if I can stay in bonds at 28 long.
Share my screen so we can take a look at it. Somebody asked me a question on chat, and it was like a private message. Does the book teach my strategy? Yes. I will not publish this book, in fact. It's weird how people respect what you give if you don't give them anything. But if you give them everything, they never respect what you give them. That is so the human condition. So weird. You're 28 long? You bought the 28s?
I did.
Get out of those 28.
Get out.
Yeah, take a break even. You've been holding it this whole time or something?
Yes.
Yeah, get out of there.
Okay.
You over there like Lauryn Hill, killing me softly with this.
Thank you.
Yeah, get up out of there. Get up out of there. We caught the sevens. I figured that's where the sellers were. I told you all to move your stop up to like 88, so you all should be out of that. Gold, man, oh man, hit the reverse button on them. I told you I wouldn't believe in the sellers until we were under 41.02. We got up under there, and here's the sellers. This should be exciting. I ain't even trade anymore. I'm too excited. God is good though. I'm gonna take like one of those. Oh yeah, hold on, Magic, you still in here? I hope she in here. Did she take her one trade and then put in for her payout? I hope she did.
I just saw her name come across that said she left.
Oh, okay, okay. I hope my dog did that. I'm gonna call her and make sure a little bit later. Any questions about anything else? All right, that's cool.
Get my email. I'm in the group
I
right
need a
now.
favor. Yeah, I need a favor.
Go
I
ahead,
mean, I'll be
Keegan.
last in line, no worry. If you ain't on
What?
I wanted you to check my shares. I want to see if I got it right.
Okay, let me go and check it out. Log back in. They logged me out. 1 second. About to get up, boy. Man, what a day.
Can you show the top 20 shares?
Top 20, I will definitely show for sure. I'm logging in right now to the system. Hey, we only got 92 more
You're in the
shares
top
until
20,
we get to
Keegan? That's what you're
3,000
saying?
people.
You're in the top 20? You in the
You'll be
top 20?
surprised how easy
Man,
it
I
is
ain't
to
in
break into the top
5. I
10.
just want to see if I'm doing it right so I can get somewhere.
Gotcha.
Keegan, hit me up, brother. I'm still waiting on you. You got my info. Hit me up. I'll walk you through it.
All right. That sounds good.
Keegan, what email you signed up with?
Oh,
It's under your name. Hold on, let me
yeah.
just do it with your name. I'm in here now.
What do you got?
Yeah, they got you. You got no referrals, but you shared it twice. You shared it on Facebook twice. Let me show you.
We got it on TikTok too, I think.
See it?
Mm-hmm. I got it on TikTok too, I think.
Maybe I don't think they marked TikTok. They marked email, Facebook, Twitter, and whatever this is. I don't know what this is. The little thing, I gotta look it up. Oh, there she coming back in the room. Hold on, she coming back now. The top 10. Let me see if I need to probably create some sort of way where I preserve people's information without kind of giving it away. Magic, you in here?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm back. My computer went dead.
Hey, my question for you was gonna be, did you do your payout today?
This the 4th day.
Okay, so you gotta
Tomorrow
go
the
one
5th
more.
day. Yeah, one more day.
One more day.
Yeah. So I was in the so I was negative 300 in the evening. So I just made like 3,500 on this call. I guess I trailed too closely. But
Which was
it
on the
didn't
NASDAQ or the ES?
the NQ.
And then you got
I got out
long,
of
and then what you got? You caught the 60s?
I
Or you caught it
caught
way at the bottom?
I caught the What
The
you
one from
what you
the
called originally?
bottom, 251, 254.72, 254, something like that. 254.72.
No, I didn't get it. I was a little late, like 4 points late on the second call.
Okay, so you got in probably like 64, 65.
Yeah, 64 exactly, actually.
64,
Yeah.
65. So that's
And I
good.
got out at 80,
So you took
87.
that trade in your
No,
PA
88.
today? You took that trade in your PA today?
Yep, and I copied it on the second one because I had passed another combine.
So you end up taking your PA balance up to 5K?
Yep, exactly.
I ain't mad.
Yep.
Ain't nobody mad
Nope.
but the devil.
I ain't
Ain't mad.
Thank you, thank you.
Man, come to year's Vember, made $5,000. You ain't paid a dime. That's crazy.
Hey, Jay, thank you, man.
They call me Jason Claus.
Hey, have a great rest of the day.
Love,
Hey,
Dennis.
man, see you tonight because I'm see you at the top, bro.
Yeah, love, baby. Love. Our top 10, Abra, Derek, LB, Tony, Wes,
We all we
me.
need, bro.
We all we need. Nisha, Ken Johnson, Tosin, you up there at number 9. Jeff is at 10. I'm going to tell y'all how easy it would be to crack into 10. To crack in, you really would only need 34 shares cracks you into 10.
Waiting for
Jay,
my
can
book,
you
man.
check mine? You hear me, Jay? Can you check mine?
I
Are
will.
we
Send me your email
sharing
address. I'll search it.
referrals?
Shares is how many times you send out your link. Refers is how many people use your link.
Is it the other way around?
No, it's not the other way around. It's the way I just said it.
You know, took me
Okay.
a while to get it
Think
to
about if I
Branson.
say if up is up. You just asked me, is up down? What you thinking?
So
Shares is how many times you share it, and referred is how many people use the link you shared.
okay. So 37
Man,
referrals.
that's rough. Man.
You can break into the top 10 with 34 referrals. No lie. 34. That means if you know 100 people and 1 out of 3 of them say, I'll sign up. Not even I'll show up, just I'll sign up. That's crazy.
One
Let me
share
know
and
where I gotta
75
send my mailing
referrals.
address.
Man,
Think about it.
that's tough.
That's a difference. I think that's the difference between see what Wes did.
Yeah, I
Wes
made
went to
posters.
Trill Will made a flyer with a QR code and went to a college campus and put up a flyer. So people walking by, they click on it. You know what I'm saying? I think he even shared the flyer with everybody in here. So all you had to do is download it and put your own QR code on it.
Yes, sir.
Jay, this is Jasper. You sent that link out in the emails?
What link?
The personal link that everybody's sharing.
Oh, you can find your share link by going to your course. Give me 1 second. If you go here and go courses, which one of these is a course? So if you go to your Yes Vember course,
Yeah.
boom, then it's one how to share effectively. I put a video in there that you can download that says, hey, why don't you join Yes Vember? But you could click this one right here, your dashboard. That'll take you to your individual link. You know what I'm saying? Let me put that right here too, because I can chat this out, and I think this will take everybody to their individual link. So you'll have what link you need to share. You can really break into the top 10 for 35 shares. That's like if you tell the people that's at your church. If you text it to people on your phone, you want to know one of the most relentless things that I've seen. It's so amazing. I've never had somebody like this in my life. I've never seen it. I've never experienced it. But it's a young man who he shared it 590 times. That's individual text messages sharing. No one's going to catch him. No one's even close. There's no way you catch him. You got to stay up on your phone. You got to really mean to help your friends. Hey, I got something. You need to do this. I got cold callers I paid that ain't made that number yet. Literally, it's crazy out here.
This is
Chanel say she need to lose $930. Somebody need me to call a loser. This is a good edit, Jason. It's 1042. He trades so much that Chanel literally is like, I need to lose money. Can you call a loser for me? That's crazy. That's crazy. God is good. Yeah, this is our top 10, man. Shout out to the top 10. I'm gonna be posting about them pretty soon. Just showing love. If you want to sell the NASDAQ, you'll lose some money. Sell the NASDAQ, Chanel, you'll lose some money. Or you can sell the ES. Both of them will help you lose.
Okay, I just got in.
Yeah, sell it.
Okay, it's going down.
No, it'll be all right. I think you're gonna have a little traffic here at 90, but then it should lose you 900. 900 is like 50 points. If you got in at 80, you just got to get up to like 13. So put your stop loss at like 6 or 7. I think you should be able to get there, and that'll help you lose the money.
Okay. Thank you.
Move your whatchamacallit in profit so that you don't make any money for sure. Like move your target in and stuff like that. But selling should be all right. You should lose. I think how much time left on this candle?
Oh, what is it doing?
It's a minute 29. Yeah. They should go get it. Go get it. It'll maybe we don't get to 13 this candle, but as long as we finish above 90, we should get to 13 next candle. And then that'll help you lose the money. If it's 930 though, hide it at 11. Cause I think 13, you will lose $1,000. So you have to put it. Is it 9? It should be around there, almost like now, like maybe in the 700s.
No, I'm only at
Where did you sell? Where was your
2.
entry?
It's at 4690.5.
Oh, you sold 90? Oh, you got in after. If you sold 90, you have to get up to 50 points away. So you got to get it up to 40s. I mean, you'd be looking for it to go all the way up here to I don't think it's going to go up that high, this candle. I don't think it's going to go that high. Just it's going to chop. If you want to for sure lose, buy it. It'll go down to 246.36. I just don't know if that'll be immediate. Like you immediately could lose some money on a candle right here selling it. But if you really want to lose, buy it now and you have to wait a while, but it'll go down. I think it'll go down a little lower. Okay. Man, what a day. What an amazing day. I got to go back through this video. So many great moments. So many great moments. Thank you to everybody who came. Thank you to everybody who watched. Is anybody in the red? We'll be good. All right. Love y'all so much.
Supposed to check and see my shares real quick.
Oh, yeah. Let me go check Rhonda's on.
Thank you.
My bad. Your camera not on today. How you feeling? You feeling all right?
Oh, I'm doing good. I'm doing good.
All right. That's cool.
Yeah. I'm here. Looking a little. I'm working today. Working from home.
There you go. It's good to see your face. What email you signed up with? Oh, there you go. I found you now.
Okay.
You signed up with the 6829 joint. You got 5 leads, Jay and Leisha and Shania and
Yeah. Why is
Shawana
it
and
that me? I
Stanley.
got 400 again. What the heck? Okay, eventually.
Can't lose it. She can't
What the
lose it.
helly? What the helly?
What the hell, Beyonce?
All right. I'm on it.
Okay, you got 5. You shared it on email 3 times and 5 people have joined.
Okay. All right. I'm on.
There you go. Shout out to that though. That's pretty dope. You should get the course automatically. Check your
Cash for the kingdom, baby.
Yeah, I
Cash
got
for the
it. Yeah,
kingdom.
thank you.
Jay,
Check the course
Come
and
on
just
in. Come on in now. Stop playing around with it.
For sure.
Jay,
Yes.
when it comes to sharing a link, I just thought about should we be going to the actual Yes Vember dashboard page to copy the link to share it each time? Because I had sent it to like my son, and then I've been going to like the link I sent to my son and sending it to and sharing.
As long as it's your link, it never changes. Right now,
Okay,
if you
okay,
go to
okay,
our
okay,
chat,
okay.
if you go to the chat on Zoom, the latest link that I put up, that's the link that will allow you to get your unique URL. Like I'm gonna put that in here one more time. Let me go.
Amber, I think you got it. I think you're doing it right, dear.
Okay, all right. Same link. Okay.
Turn
All
that
right. I'll just make
Yeah, Jake.
I think you're doing it right.
Yeah,
Hey,
I
I put
think
it in there
you're in the
too, but
lead. She
I put
told
it
me
in there
too. She
too, Jake.
said it was like I think she was in here. She likes her community because she said I was watching for a couple days. When I started sharing Jay, it could kind of get crazy, but I like what I'm seeing, so I'm gonna start sharing. So she started sharing. I'm like, okay, well, cool. I saw her name registered, and I saw 5 shares, and I saw 30. And I'm going, wait a second, what's going on? Who is this Abra person? So I'm like, man, let me find out. So I go on the internet. I'm like, okay, yeah, when she shares, I get what she means now. So I'm not sure if y'all know, but Magic is a hair influencer and also a travel and lifestyle influencer as well. A great entrepreneur. So she started sharing her link on her stories. And I think right now she's in first place with 377 people joining because of her. How many people are here because of Abra?
I was gonna ask you, can you add that in the beginning of the meetings, like when you are addressing the new people, can you ask them like to put it in the chat, like who referred you, so we can
Oh,
kind of
okay.
know like who's
Who's
on
here?
here that we referred? Yeah,
For
that would
sure,
be
for
really
sure.
good.
That's definitely, I would definitely do that. I definitely do that. Larry, you have a question, and I think Tosin, I think, or no, Larry, I think Larry did. I didn't do
Okay. I got here by Amber. Amber, Jamaica, Trustine.
Somebody's mic is on.
I'm listening to you.
Okay, this yes member package, how long do we get to keep that? Does it go away after
You're talking
November?
about the course material?
Yeah, the course material
I'm
and
gonna de-enroll everybody when it's over.
you're gonna, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'll probably turn off course access at the end of the month.
Okay, all right. Thanks.
No problem.
But Jay, if you did the paid version, do you still get to keep it?
Yeah, but no one's paid for anything for Yes Vember.
Okay.
What did you pay for this Yes Vember?
I don't know if it was Yes Member, but I got the course, the
That was
inventory
October.
course.
Yeah, that was October.
When was
paid
that?
sometime
When
in
did you do
October.
that?
It was,
That was October.
yeah, it was the end of October. Let me see the day that I got my
Yeah, that
receipt.
was that
Oh
fast
no.
track.
No.
I'm
All
sorry.
that, if you pay for something, it's yours. I'm
Okay.
just talking about Yes Vember.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Thank you.
you're good.
Tosa, what's
So
good?
Tulsa?
Oh yeah, sorry. I hit the milestone to pick up my books. I want to know where I send my mailing address.
It is going to be a digital book.
Oh man, I thought you were giving us hard copy.
You really think I'm gonna do shipping for 10,000 people for 25 shares? I'll probably end up with $10,000 in shipping fees. You ever tried to send something to somebody before? No,
I know,
it's
I'm kidding.
digital. The beauty
Hey,
of
bro.
it is that it's immediate.
Yep.
So the moment you do it, you get what you came for.
And you can access it on any device you like, man. It'll go with you.
That's what I'm saying.
It can't get wet, it can't get dirty.
If you give somebody a job tasting pies at a pie factory, they'll complain because it smells too sweet at the job. You know what I'm saying? It's so crazy. It's an amazing game. DeCarlos was good.
I just want to make sure I understand, Jay. So you said when Yes Vember is done, so does that mean my cash for the kingdom gone too, or is that still mine? I get to
The
keep that.
Yes Vember course will be gone.
Okay.
Nothing else.
Okay, I got you.
Everybody,
Okay.
nothing else. If you
Okay.
get a book, you're gonna get that book. If you get Cash for the Kingdom, that's yours. The Yes Vember course will be gone at the end of the month. I'm not gonna give you something, then take it back. That's not cool. If it's your gift to have, it's your gift to have because I'm still forever grateful for you sharing what I've done this month, sharing
Appreciate it.
this community. I'm very, very grateful for that. And that impact never goes away. So your reward should never go away.
And we get to keep the song too, right?
You get to keep the song.
Yeah, we gotta keep the song.
I would suggest you keep it and play it all day.
I want the song.
Yo,
Roll
I'll
now.
be rocking that every day, bro. I rock it every day.
Roll now, dog. Well, famous Palm Blue.
The PDF gonna be in my courses or it comes in a separate email?
Brother, you just had me blocked on email. What you want, brother? What we
I've
doing?
unblocked you.
You
I've
did. You
unblocked
had me
you. I've
blocked. I
reset my
had to. I
password.
know you just unblocked me, but you had me blocked. Brother, here we go.
No,
Here,
it
hold on
must
one
be
second.
AI.
Yeah, it was AI, dog. It was AI, bro. It was AI.
That was funny.
Yeah, it was AI. That's what did it. I should go back and go to when you blocked me and
Oh wow.
screenshot.
Okay.
Nah, don't worry about that,
Hold on.
man.
So the vibe is, dog, the book, it comes to you automatically. There's a thing called Zapier. And what Zapier will do is say, oh, wow, like this person has received this. So the Zap, it'll come through and say, oh, if they got this many shares, then they should receive this. What I'll do right now is make sure. Hold on one second. Let me find the book. Here you go. Check your email.
Got it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Mm.
Now, don't share that book with your cousin and them. Let them come to Yes
Oh hell
Vember
no.
so they can get their own. All right?
Oh hell no. No,
It was
sir.
November
Thank you.
12th, 2024.
That's 7 days ago.
No, 2024. That's a year and 7 days
Oh,
ago.
a year ago.
D&D enabled by customer. D&D enabled by customer for email. It was right after I
Devil's a
sent
lie.
you a free week in trading.
Yeah, you know when you was going through cleaning out all them emails, you was just clicking away. Yo, who this?
Yes. 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 Sorry about that, sir. Thank you. Thank you. I got it.
You're here now, man. Unblocked and everything.
DG gonna let it be light. I'm gonna let it be impregnated with thought. I'm gonna be silent.
Oh wow.
I'm gonna be silent. I'm not
Mm,
gonna say a word. You
mm.
blocked me a year ago. I give you a free money, and then you say, "Where my book? I just did it. Where my book at? Where my book at?" I ain't no thief, dog. I ain't gonna take what I told you I give to you, dog. I ain't that.
No, sir.
You've been knowing me for some years, so you're not new. You've been knowing me for
Oh,
some years. You've been knowing what I am for years. That's why I can talk to you like this.
Didn't he come through
yes,
IG?
sir.
Like coming through the IG page? I think I remember him back then.
Years ago, he been knowing about me. Been going
Yeah,
other places trying to figure something out.
there you go.
Who
All
over here with you though? Who the real deal? Is it me or is it somebody else?
It's you.
Okay.
We are not worthy.
No. It ain't about that. Don't be facetious. But we looking at a history where you and I together. I've been trying to help you for a long time. You've been running away from the help and you even blocked it. So I fought to help
Not,
you again. And then here
not
comes
Ronald.
something that you're supposed to have, and you talking about, well, I did it. Where the book at? And that's your fourth time saying that. I'm like, dang, he's
No
not really
way.
gonna lean up off the zaps. Let's go find out what's really going on. You blocked me, dog. You know how they say people try and block your blessings? This
Mm-hmm.
you blocking your blessings.
I've removed the wall. The wall of Jericho is down.
Hang out then. I ain't like the rest of them. I'm gonna call it where it's at. I'm a trader. I'm a trader. I'm for real. I'm not a joke. You know what I'm saying? That means I know how to exchange value. I know who's on the best side of this trade. Don't, you know what I'm saying? I'm your boy. I ain't gonna
Yes,
take
sir.
nothing from you, dog. I'm your boy. You know me. I ain't never took nothing from nobody. That's not my thing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I love you, dog. I love you. I ain't gonna hurt
Love
you.
you too.
I ain't gonna hurt you. Michelle was good.
Hey Jay, the example you gave this morning about our risk management, if we were trading one mini and lost 2 of the 5 days, I was just going to ask you, can you repeat that? That really resonated. I've heard you talk about that before, but it really resonated with me this morning because I downgraded to micros. But the example you gave, I'm still reaching my goal at the end of the week and still had several losing days. And I was wondering, can you just repeat that example?
Yeah, for sure. Let's talk about it. Did you sell down here? Chanel, you should have lost that money now. Or if you bought, it should get all the way down to 246.54 and go up. Chanel, I hope you lost your money. That's what you were trying to do. Let's do it. For me, there's a difference between being a good trader. Being a good trader is not being a consistent trader. Is this true or false, everybody? Say yes or say true or false.
True.
Okay. So then the next thing is learning to trade is not being a successful trader. Just because you know how doesn't mean that you can do it. If you don't believe me, Steph Curry knows how to play basketball, and so does Jeremy Lin. But no one said Linsanity in years. Does this make sense?
It does.
Okay. So then what we have to do is we have to figure what the skill of growth is. When we're in our accounts, most people want the account to do like this, where it starts at 0 and it hits 100K in one day. Most people want that.
For sure.
That is very unlikely. It takes a lot of skill to say, you know what I'm going to do tonight? I'm going to score 70 points and then put on your shoes, go on the court and score 70 points. You know how much skill that takes? Like Babe Ruth can hit home runs. He also stood at a plate and pointed at the home run before he swung the bat. Nobody else did that. You know what you got to be to do that? You got to be crazy. You got to be really good. Oh, or you say $100,000 in a month and you hit it before the month is even over. You got to be one of those people. Okay. Because most people are not going to do that. Most people are going to try and grow their account. They'll be happy if it does this. I start at 100,000 and somewhere along the way, maybe later on in a month, 2 months, 5 months, 7 months, I hit the money goal, whatever that goal is, you hit the goal. Right? And this is at some point in, say, this is time down here, and this is day one, and this is target day. So what you're asking for is not, can I get lucky and trade? Because that's this. I made a lot of money today. You're saying, I want to be able to make a lot of money forever. This is a different skill. How I teach it is different. I'll teach it to you now. I need to make that a bit wider. I'll color over it again. All right. Now you can see that, right? Then we need to divide this. We'll divide it into pieces. You'll have Boom, 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 boom. About a half past 3. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, cool. Now in these boxes, I'm gonna write Sunday. Oh no, not Sunday. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. And Friday. The idea is to be profitable over time. That means I can literally make $5,000 today, 5K, lose 1K every other day, and finish the week up 1K at the end of the week. 1K end of week. I can do that. And that would be a profitable week. In that situation, what we'll see is not necessarily this reaction, not the straight up thing, but we'll see our account do like that. It'll grow by $1,000. But it'll look more like this: grow by 5,000, then lose $1,000 the rest of the time. So your net move would be this move right here. Does everybody see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. The next piece of this, wow, this is going to be on YouTube. Am I still streaming? This is crazy. I'm still streaming.
You're getting real saucy, Jay.
Oh man, stop the YouTube, man. I love y'all, man. Okay, y'all gotta go. How do I stop this? Stop it. I don't know. Stop it. The idea then is not can we be good at trading, but can we be good at being consistent in trading? The key to trading consistency is in the ability to lose well. That's your key. So let's say that you set up for yourself
Order filled.
a profit target and loss limit. You could essentially have, let's say this is going to be you, the trader now, Michelle. You could essentially, get excited, Jay. You're not tired yet. You could essentially set up for yourself a scenario where you either make $1,000 or you lose $500. And when that happens, the day is done. This will be your scenario. If we trade according to those parameters, we could literally lose 3 days and still have a profitable week. If I have winner, winner, then I have loser, loser, loser. And winning is undo that last one. Losing is a $500 loss, and winning is a $1,000 gain. What we love to do is, oh my God, I made $1,000. I'm going to keep trading. That leads to either, chances are that's going to be euphoria. That's grabbing the trader. The trader will either have an $8,000 day or lose everything. 9 times out of 10. Because if you make $1,000 and you keep going and you lose 500, now you're like, I got to get my money back. So chances are you'll just lose it all. This is like mania. This is when I guess gamblers call it being on tilt, right?
You gotta stop reading me, Jay. You're reading me all the way.
I've been this. This is me. I've been this. Most people, Jay, if I could trade like you, I'd never get up. So you trying to tell me you'll never go help your kids with their bike? You'll never put air in their tire? You'll never go have lunch with your friend? Never? Not once? You have a problem. You misconstrue success with making money. My grandmother was successful. She wasn't a millionaire, but she was very successful. You know, we got to put it where it goes. So in this case, 2 green checks will equal you make $2,000 this week. So you're up 2,000. You had no, not 200, Jay. It's up 2, 1, 2, 3. You're up 2,000. But at the same token, you know, you would end up being down. If every red check is $500, then you would be down 500 each time. So that would be a total of 1,500. So you would have a net positive week in this scenario of $500. If you can add $500 to your household every week of your life for the whole year, your calculator would tell you that 500 times 52 weeks is an extra $26,000 in your house, and you lose more than you win. You lose more than you win. Now, this is a very good thing that I want you all to see, because Warren Buffett's lifetime average on winning trades is 41%. This is Warren that you're looking at. He's only been right about the companies he's invested in 41% of the time. And if you take 100% of a week and break it into 5 parts, then you'll basically have 20% per day. So he's made $1 billion gajillion only being right Monday and Tuesday. I'm not saying I'm Warren Buffett, but I ain't had a losing day all month. Whatever he is to that investing stuff, I know I'm not to this trading stuff. Ain't no way. I'm just not an old white man, so you all don't believe me when I talk about investing. But I'm an unc. And this is how you grow money. This is not trading. This is doing one thing that you should do that no one knows how to do. This happens when you know how to lose well. Tiger Woods is famously quoted on the tour saying, everybody on the PGA Tour can win every day. Every weekend you go out there on the tour, anybody can win. He said, the question isn't how good is your good. The question is how good is your bad. What we tend to do is we'll win $1,000 on Monday, win 1,000 on Tuesday, lose 500 on Wednesday, and we'll say this to ourselves. This is when dumbness kicks in, when we become idiots right here. I'm gonna take one more. So instead of losing 500 on Wednesday, you lose 1,100 on Wednesday. Then on Thursday, you might make 200. Then on Friday, you feel like you got to get something back and you end up losing 800. Before you know it, you throw off the math of consistency. This is how you trade. This is how you make a life of it. This is how you make a life of trading. This is how you pay bills with it. You get up. I made $1,000. I'm done. I lost 500. I'm done. I made 2,000. I'm done. I lost 1,000. I'm done. I made 10,000 a day. I lost 2,000 a day. I'm done. I'm done. I don't want nothing else. I'm good. You get up losing enough days, trust me, you're going to be a winner. Does everybody understand this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thanks, Jay. So good.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely.
Yes.
All right. Any other questions? I almost put that on YouTube. How crazy is that?
Hey, Jay, I feel like Rhonda Hammond right now. You about to teach that bonnet off.
That's for sure. Teach that bonnet off.
That's how you do it.
That,
Anybody can have a lucky day. Oh my God, I'm still live. Look, I'm still. I'm still live. YouTube got that. That's crazy.
Wow.
YouTube people,
You've been blessed
God
today.
must love you.
You've been blessed.
You are favored today.
If you're doing it, listen, I'm
Now,
still
YouTube,
talking
come
about
to
it.
Yes Vember, baby. Come to Yes Vember.
It's 13 people on here watching.
Let's take you the rest of the way. Let's go.
Now DG is saying you've been blessed today. Hold on, watch. You guys can hear it. I'll put on speaker.
You might as well give them the theme song too.
That's crazy, fam. Crazy.
Now, YouTube, come to Yes Vember, baby. Come to Yes Vember.
It's 13 people on here watching.
Let's take you the rest of the way. Let's go.
Now DG is saying you've been blessed today. That's crazy, right? Hold on, watch. You guys can hear it. I'll put on speaker.
You might as well give them the theme song too.
Sir Larry. That's crazy, fam. Hey man, I'm gonna play the theme song tonight. I'm about to get up out of here.
Wait a minute, you're actually playing this song?
No. I'm about to go. I'm trying to get up. I need to get up. You saying good morning? You supposed to say good morning.
Good morning.
All right. Hey,
I
Sunday.
love y'all.
Sunday.
so
Good
much.
morning.
Good
I love y'all
morning.
so much.
Good
Hold on,
morning.
Good morning.
Hold on, man. I
Good
got.
morning.
We can't finish it up like we not finishing up. We gotta finish it all the way up. Did I save the song on my web pages? Hold on. Where is that?
Put it in.
Where did I?
Yeah, then TikTok.
That's what I thought it should be, and I thought I saved the URL. Let me go to my history, so y'all can see the lyrics while it play. Bomb bullies, world renowned. From the charts to the hearts. Let me see if I can find the link right there to the.
See, y'all put y'all cameras on so I can see my chair dancers.
For real, shout out to the chair dancers. Hold on, where was it? I think it should have been just a couple days ago. 4 days ago. When did I get this? I think he gave it to me on like the 10th. Where's this link? Bond. Let me go like this. Bond bully. Let me go Anthem. There we go. I found it right there. Is that it? Well, that's the song, but I want to see the actual website. DG, you got the URL? I can't find the URL in my history, my search data. DeCarlos on here. DeCarlos, you still got the URL, brother?
If I can get it along.
Bomb bullies, world renowned. From the charts to the hearts. Open all tabs in that group. It's almost like I got to make sure I save it now. This is back when your boy won the election. No, I don't want that. To leave group. Let me know when you drop it, DJ.
I dropped the Suno one in the chat.
Yeah, the Suno. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. That's the one.
That's
That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah, I just got it, but that's the one. You got it? All right.
One right there. Share some. Share.
That's the one you want.
It's the Bond Willie anthem right here.
Yo. Yo, Jay the trader, the bomb bully general. Turning rookies to pros is unforgettable. Charts in the morning, discipline's pivotal. Sweet inks teaching, straight medicinal. Coffee steaming, charts gleaming, early rise grind. Candlesticks dancing, Jay reads, I'm like a mine. Fibonacci flowing, strategies in motion. Waves crash the market like the tides in the ocean. He said, don't chase, let the trade come find you. Patience like a monk, every move is mindful. Bomb bullies moving like a well-oiled machine. Rick's so calculated, the losses stay lean. Bomb bullies, world renowned. Jay the trader got the method locked down. From the charts to the heart, this is how we move. Discipline and grind, that's the bomb bully groove. Bomb bullies, world renowned. Jay the trader got the method locked down. From the charts to the heart, this is how we move. Discipline and grind, that's the bomb bully groove. Mentorship heavy, weight like a gold brick, sweet and dropping gems. Every word a quick fix, no get rich schemes. Just hours in the lab, turning red days to green. Learn to sharpen the jab. Candles light the path like torches in the cave. Markets the jungle, but Jay taught us to behave. Zoom calls popping, strategies dissected. Every trade's a lesson, losses get corrected. Born bully, world renowned. Jay the trader got the method locked down. From the charts to the heart, this is how we move. Discipline and grind, that's the born bully groove. Born bully, world renowned. Jay the trader locked down. The charts.
I see the chair dances, DG.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yo, bomb bullies, baby.
World renowned.
Yep.
The world famous Bond Bullies. 100,000 in a month. We at 107,994. I might need a stretch goal. We're gonna hit him with a stretch goal. We're gonna see if we can get it at 125 now, because we already hit the
I'm thinking 150.
I'm saying 152.
I'm thinking 150.
150.
12 days, 12 sessions left. You got 200 in you, man.
Yeah,
That's what I'm saying. I feel that way. I feel 200.
This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try and find the craziest places to run the trade room from for the rest of the month. I'm gonna try and run the trade room from the craziest places in Oklahoma. That's what I'm gonna try and do. I'm gonna try and run a trade room from somewhere. We gotta make it fun. We'll figure out a way to make it fun. Until then, I'm about to go to sleep. Hey, I love y'all, man. Clock on the wall and all the rest. We all we got, but that's cool.
We all
we need.
We
We all we need.
We all we need.
10 million, baby.
Thank you, Jay.
Thank you, Jay.
Thank you.
Peace out.
Yeah.